गएर तपाईहरु कोही सेफ हुन चाहनुहुन्छ भने अथवा तपाईहरु कोही फुड इन्डस्ट्रीमा जान चाहनुहुन्छ भने मेबी द्याट क्यान बी योर एक्चुअल थिङ विच यु क्यान डु हैन। जसरी चाहिँ हामीले नेपाली अर्ग्यानिक फुडहरु देखि लिएर नेपाली सानो सानो रेस्टुरेन्टहरुको टेक अवेहरु चाहिँ अहिले हामीले युज गरिरहेको छौं, त्यसलाई चाहिँ हामीले कन्टिन्युटी दिनुपर्छ जस्तो, rather than going to a commercial restaurant and spending lots of time and lots of money in there हैन। जस्तै हिमालयन जावा, आज हिमालयन जावा किन भयो भन्दाखेरि बिकज वी लभड इट, but there were lots of other coffee shops which were especially नेपालमा बनेको थियो, तर we never went there. We rather went to get a Starbucks coffee cup in Bhatbhatini than have a coffee in somewhere else के। So यो कुराहरुलाई चाहिँ maybe you guys can promote हैन। अनि नेपालको चियाको कुरा गर्नु पर्दाखेरि चाहिँ तपाईहरुलाई भन्नु पर्दा नेपाली चिया भनेको जुन हामीले घरमा खाने चिया भनेको चाहिँ to be very honest हैन, I went there, म त्यो फ्याक्ट्रीमा गएको छु, it's all the wastage of the चिया which goes outside के। अब तपाईहरु सोच्नु कि हैन त्यो एउटा वेस्टेज निस्केको चिया नै त्यति मिठो हुन्छ भने how tasty would be the exact चिया बिन हैन। नेपालले म्याक्सिमम आफ्नो एक्सपोर्ट भनेको चाहिँ चिया कफीमै गर्छ, तर वी नेभर प्रमोट इट। जस्तै तपाईहरुले घरमा हेर्नुहुन्छ भने वी रादर ह्याभ समथिङ एल्स देन ह्याभिङ सम नेपाली थिङ के। र राइट नाउ आई थिंक वी शुड बीइङ आफ्नो कन्ट्रीलाई चाहिँ अहिले हामीले नै बुम गर्ने हो, र इन्डस्ट्रीलाई स्पेशली अब बुम गर्नुपर्छ भन्दैमा डोन्ट बाई समथिङ यु डोन्ट लाइक, एन्ड आई अल्सो डोन्ट लाइक सम अफ द नेपाली ब्रान्ड्स, बट ट्राई इट एटलिस्ट हैन। तपाईहरुले ट्राई गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ। एन्ड बीइङ तपाईहरुले जस्तै अहिले मैले तपाईहरुलाई एक्जाम्पल दिए भने चाहिँ इफ आई आस्क यु अबाउट सम नेपाली टी, मेबी मोस्ट अफ यु विल नट नेम एनी नेपाली टी के, तर यु विल बी ह्याप्पीली एन्सरिङ अबाउट द ट्विनिङ्स, द दिलमाज हैन, त्यो हैन के। सो अहिले चाहिँ लेट्स से सेराकुरा टीहरु भयो हैन, आई एम जस्ट गिभिङ एन एक्जाम्पल। सो यो कुराहरुलाई चाहिँ तपाईहरुले प्रमोट गर्नुपर्छ। र बीइङ नेपाल बीइङ अ कन्ट्री अफ युथ हैन, हाम्रो साउथ वेस्ट एसियामै मोर देन 40% युथ भएको कन्ट्री हाम्रो मात्रै हो हैन। र एन्ड आई बिलिभ इन दिस जेनेरेसन। सो यो इकोनोमिक क्राइसिसबाट हामीलाई निकाल्ने तपाईहरुले नै हो। र तपाईहरुले कसरी निकाल्ने भन्दाखेरि यु जस्ट डोन्ट नीड टु गो एन्ड वर्क एभ्रीवेयर, जस्ट डु व्हाट यु आर डुइङ राइट नाउ, बट व्हेन यु स्पेन्ड सम मनी ट्राई टु डु इट फर आवर ओन इन्डस्ट्री, आवर ओन कन्ट्री एन्ड आवर ओन पिपल। सो द्याट्स हाउ यसले चाहिँ नट ओन्ली फुड इन्डस्ट्रीलाई मात्र होइन कि ग्लोबल कन्ट्रीको इकोनोमीलाई नै हेल्प गर्न सक्छ हैन। वाइ डु वी इम्पोर्ट 97% अफ थिङ्स? किन देशले चाहिँ 97% इम्पोर्ट चाहिँ 3% अगेन्स्टको एक्सपोर्टमा गर्छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ बिकज वी डिमान्ड इट हैन। हामीले डिमान्ड नगरेको भए चाहिँ त्यो आउँदैन पनि थियो होला। सो अहिले चाहिँ इट्स टाइम द्याट यु एक्चुअली प्रमोट नेपाली टुरिज्म। र यसपछिको टाइममा पनि आई लुक फरवर्ड के हुन्छ नि, वी स्पेन्ड मोर टाइम इन हाम्रो कन्ट्री क्या। सो डोमेस्टिक टुरिज्ममा चाहिँ हामीले अलिकति फोकस पनि गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ। र अब यसमा चाहिँ मेबी वी शुड नट थिङ्क अबाउट गभर्मेन्टले के गर्छ अथवा गभर्मेन्टले हामीलाई के दिन्छ, त्यो कुरा सोच्ने कुरा चाहिँ होइन जस्तो लाग्छ मलाई हैन। वी अल नो वाट गभर्मेन्ट क्यान डु एन्ड वाट इट्स डुइङ हैन। गर्नुपर्छ भन्ने आई थिङ्क गरि पनि सक्थ्यो होला, तर यो टाइम पछि देयर आर आई सी लट्स अफ पिपल प्लानिङ टु हैन भिजिट देयर अब पिपल, मेबी या भिजिटिङ देयर पिपल इन अस्ट्रेलिया अमेरिका, द्याट्स अ डिफरेन्ट थिङ। तर अब म यो लकडाउन खोल्ने बित्तिकै बाली जान्छु, ब्याङ्कक जान्छु, नोबडी इज टकिङ अबाउट रारा। म रारा जान्छु भनेर कसैले भन्दैन। एन्ड आई थिङ्क द्याट्स वान अफ अ ब्युटिफुल प्लेस इन द वर्ल्ड, वान हेल अफ अ ब्युटिफुल प्लेसेस इन द वर्ल्ड। सो त्यस्तो कुराहरूमा चाहिँ मेबी वी सुड फोकस, अनि मेबी वी सुड नट ओन्ली फोकस, वी सुड प्रमोट इट। हामीले प्रमोट पनि गर्नुपर्छ। जस्तै कोही मान्छे चाहिँ अब म एक हप्तालाई बाहिर जाँदैछु, विदेश जाँदैछु भन्दाखेरि इट्स जस्ट एक्सपिरियन्स द्याट ही अर सी वान्ट्स टु टेक हैन। त्यो एक्सपिरियन्स नेपालमा पनि दिन सकिन्छ। सो देयर आर प्लेसेस विच हेभ नट बिन, जो तपाईहरुलाई थाहा छ कि छैन, नेपालमा एउटा यस्तो चाहिँ नेसनल पार्क छ जसमा चाहिँ मान्छेहरू हेलिकप्टर लिएर घुम्न आउँछ बाहिरैबाट हैन। इट्स नट यहाँ नेपालबाट कुनै प्लेन पनि जाँदैन, त्यहाँ नेपालबाट कुनै गाडी पनि जाँदैन, त्यहाँ दे हायर देयर ओन हेलिकप्टर्स एन्ड दे गो। बाई विदेशको मान्छे त्यसरी आउँछ एन्ड वी गो टु प्लेसेस लाइक बाली, ब्याङ्कक, इट्स मेन स्ट्रिम प्लेसेस या अभियसली। अब जानु नै छ भने त कसैले रोक्न सक्दैन, तर वाइ डु नट वी थिङ्क अबाउट आवर ओन प्लेसेस। र आइरोनी चाहिँ कहाँ हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि त्यही मान्छेले चाहिँ भरे सोसियल मिडियामा के पोस्ट गरेर आएको छ भन्दाखेरि प्रमोट नेपाली बिजनेस भनेर पोस्ट गर्छ क्या। एन्ड आई डोन्ट वान्ट अहिलेको युथ चाहिँ त्यो त्यही जेनेरेसनलाई फलो गरोस् अथवा त्यही होस् भन्ने चाहिँ म चाहिँ चाहदिनँ होइन, मेरो पर्सनल थटबाट। एन्ड यदि मलाई बाहिरै जानु छ, मलाई यहाँ नेपालमा घुम्नु नै छैन भने आई वुड रादर नट प्रमोट कि आई वुड रादर नट राइट इन माई सोसियल मिडिया पेज कि नेपाली टुरिज्मलाई प्रमोट गर्नुपर्छ एन्ड देन आई वुड नट बी अ जज इन सोसियल मिडिया. आई वुड नट ब्लेम माई गभर्मेन्ट होइन. आई वुड टेक द ब्लेम अन माइसेल्फ. आई विल स्टे साइलेन्ट. र अर्को कुरा अभियसली इट्स योर मनी, यु क्यान डु वाट एभर यु वान्ट. त्यसमा कसैले केही भन्न सक्दैन. र अब तपाईहरुलाई के सोध्नु छ भने स्पेशली द पिपल हु आर लुकिङ फरवर्ड फर द इन्टर्नशिप एन्ड हु वेयर डुइङ इन्टर्नशिप विथ मी, तपाईहरुलाई के भन्नु छ भने चाहिँ प्लिज आई एम
सर एकछिन है त सर, हजुरले भर्खरै नेसनल पार्कको कुरा गर्नुभयो नि, त्यसको बारेमा अलिकति इलाबोरेट गरिदिनु न.
त्यसको बारेमा मलाई पनि धेरै थाहा छ. मैले पनि रिसेन्टली नै पढायो होइन. द प्लेस इज कल्ड बर्दिया नेसनल पार्क होइन. सो त्यहाँ चाहिँ त्यहाँ चाहिँ यस्तो यस्तो एनिमल्स अरे जुन वर्ल्डमै कहीँ पनि छैन अरे. सो स्पेसल्ली त्यो आई डोन्ट नो वाट इज त्यसको त्यो उसलाई के भन्छ होइन, ब्रिडलाई के भन्छ मलाई थाहा छैन, तर मृगको ब्रिडहरू स्पेसल्ली त्यस्तो ब्रिडहरू चाहिँ अब विनो नेपालमा यस्तो यस्तो एनिमल्स छ, यस्तो यस्तो प्लेसेस छ अथवा यस्तो यस्तो प्लान्ट्स छ जुन चाहिँ कहीँ पनि छैन. जस्तै इभन इफ यु टक अबाउट वान अन राइनो होइन, इभन इफ यु टक अबाउट रेड पान्डाज होइन. तपाईँहरू रसियामा चाहिँ त्यो सिजनमा ट्रेकिङ, लास्ट टाइम म लाङटाङ जाँदा चाहिँ रेड पान्डा त्यहाँ खेलि नै रहेको हुन्छ कि लिटरली. इट्स लाइक जस्ट हुन्छ नि. अब हामीले यसरी नेपालीहरूले यसरी इग्नोर गर्छ कि वी जस्ट अब आई डोन्ट वान्ट टु से दिस होइन, बट आइएम सरी फर माई ल्याङ्ग्वेज. तर हामीले एउटा स्ट्रिट डग देखे जसरी चाहिँ वी भन्दा पनि अब हामी काठमाडौँबाट गएको मान्छेलाई त इट्स समथिङ एल्स, अथवा अरू ठाउँबाट गएको मान्छेलाई त इट्स समथिङ एल्स. तर त्यहाँको मान्छेलाई थाहा नै छैन क्या. अनि बिकज अफ अब अभियसली लिट्रेसी पनि छैन कति कुराको होइन नेपालमा. अब इफ यु सी पहिलेदेखिको हेर्ने हो भने चाहिँ धेरै मान्छेले पढ्ने मौका पाउनु भएन, अथवा त्यो मौका थिएन पनि. र पहिलाको जेनेरेसनलाई चाहिँ पढ्ने भन्दा पनि काम कसरी गर्ने, आफ्नो फ्यामिलीलाई कसरी बेटर फ्युचर दिने, त्यो टाइममा धेरै चाहिँ उहाँहरूले स्पेन्ड गरिरहनु भएको थियो होइन. सो अहिलेको टाइममा चाहिँ आई थिङ्क वी सुड लुक फरवर्ड फर दिस क्या. अब आई थिङ्क होइन, मैले मेरो साथीहरूलाई सोधेँ भने दे नो द टप 10 होटल्स इन साउथ वेस्ट एसिया, बट दे डु नट नो द टप 10 होटल्स इन इन्डिया, सरी नेपाल क्या. इफ आई आस्क देम कि बाली जाने टिकट कहाँ किन्ने हो, बाली जाने टुर अपरेटर कुन चाहिँ हो भन्दाखेरि मेरो 5वटा साथीले एन्सर दिन्छ होला क्या. तर दे डु नट नो हाउ टु गो टु रिच टु रारा होइन. सो द्याट्स अ आइरोनी. सो यस्तो कुराहरूलाई चाहिँ हामीले अब बिङ तपाईँहरू जुन तपाईँहरूको हातमा छ फ्युचर, तपाईँहरूले चाहिँ सुरु चाहिँ यो कुराबाट गर्नुपर्छ जस्तो लाग्छ. र बिङ हस्पिटालिटी स्टुडेन्ट तपाईँहरूले नै प्रमोट गर्ने हो होइन, अभियसली तपाईँहरूले नै अगाडि बढाउने हो.
सर अनि हजुरको त्यो भाइको रिसर्चको बारेमा पनि भनिदिनुहोस् न.
सो इट्स अ सिम्पल थिङ होइन, खासमा धेरै कुरा केही पनि छैन. मेरो भाइ चाहिँ अब हि इज भेरी गुड एट स्टडिज. माई कजन एक्चुली, नट माई ब्रदर. मेरो कजन हो र भेरी गुड एट स्टडिज एन्ड हि इज डुइङ हिज पिएचडी इन फिजिक्स होइन. फिजिक्सको पनि एउटा कुन चाहिँ सब्जेक्टमा गरिरहेको छ. आई वाज नट सो गुड इन साइन्स, सो मलाई त्यति कुरा थाहा छैन. र अनि ऊ चाहिँ अहिले ट्रिनिटी कलेज अफ सम युनिभर्सिटीमा चाहिँ पढ्छ होइन, टेनेसीमा. र त्यहाँ युएसमा छ. र उसको इन्टर्नसिप भनेको चाहिँ उसको रिपोर्ट राइटिङ अथवा उसको जेसुकै रिसर्च पेपर छ, उसले चाहिँ हि स्पेन्ड्स 15 days विथ अ प्रोफेसर क्या. उसको अब धेरै अभियसली पिएचडी गर्दाखेरि यु लर्न विथ लट्स अफ पिपल अथवा यु इभन इङ्गेज विथ लट्स अफ पिपल. र उसलाई जो रिसर्चर मनपर्छ हि प्रपोजेस देम कि आई वान्ट टु स्पेन्ड सम टाइम विथ यु. र हि गोज देयर, हि स्पेन्ड 15 to 20 days विथ द्याट पर्सन. 15 to 20 days लिटरली स्पेन्ड इन देयर होम होइन. अब कतिको कम्फोर्टेबल हुन्छ त्यो मान्छे जसले राख्छ, त्यो टाइम चाहिँ उसले अब एउटा प्रोफेसरसँग बिताउँछ र उहाँहरूको पुरानो रिसर्च पेपरलाई इम्प्रुभ गर्नतिर लाग्छ. र उहाँहरूको नयाँ रिसर्च पेपरमा हि बिकम्स एन असिस्टेन्ट, अथवा चाहिँ इन द सेयर देयर एक्सपिरियन्स अफ डुइङ समथिङ अबाउट, अथवा चाहिँ लेट्स से आफूलाई थाहा नभएको कुराहरू होइन, फिजिक्स लको बारेमा चाहिँ उसलाई केही थाहा छैन भने उसले सोध्न पनि पायो. र जुन रिसर्च भइसकेको छ त्यो रिसर्चलाई चाहिँ नयाँ तरिकाले कसरी लाने त्यो पनि गर्नु पायो. र कति प्रोफेसरले एउटा पोइन्टमा आएर चाहिँ रिसर्च पनि छोडिदिएको हुन्छ, त्यस्तो रिसर्चलाई पनि कन्टिन्यू गर्न पायो क्या उसले. सो द्याट्स हाउ इज स्पेन्डिङ हिज टाइम राइट नाउ. सो त्यो एउटा इन्टर्नसिपको पार्ट भयो. र अर्को चाहिँ मैले अस्ति एउटा कलेजसँग कुरा गर्दा चाहिँ वाट दे वर प्लानिङ वाज दे वर ट्राइङ टु डु सम लेट्स से यो टाइममा चाहिँ ट्राइङ टु डु सम अनलाइन सेसन्स विथ अब हस्पिटालिटीको जति पनि अलिकति धेरै टाइम स्पेन्ड गर्नु भएको छ अथवा चाहिँ धेरै ठुलो नाम गर्नु भएको छ होइन. जस्तै वी आर फर्चुनेट वी हेभ समवन लाइक द्याट राइट नाउ विथ अस होइन. सो त्यो कलेजले चाहिँ के भनेको थियो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ अब जति पनि अनलाइन सेसन्स हुन्छ जस्तै हामीले चाहिँ थोरै स्टुडेन्टसँग चाहिँ त्यसरी गराउने, त्यो गरिसकेपछि चाहिँ इन्डस्ट्रीको नलेज प्रपरली हुन्छ हैन किनभने after you complete your bachelor's you just don't go and work there as an associate. You will at least be working as a you should at least be working as a supervisor हैन अथवा above that किनभने ब्याचलर पढेर गइसकेपछि nobody wants you to work as an associate. So त्यो टाइममा चाहिँ अपरेशनल लेभल तपाईहरुले कसरी ह्यान्डल गर्ने हैन त्यो कुराहरुलाई चाहिँ त्यो प्रोफेसर त्यो सरहरुले जति पनि हाम्रो हस्पिटालिटीको मान्छेहरु हुनुहुन्छ उहाँहरुले भन्दै गइसकेपछि मेबी हो अपरेशन्स वाइज तपाईहरु होटलमा गइसकेपछि you will have 6 months to learn. कुनै पनि होटलले they don't want you to come and just perform in a supervisor level नि त अब आको 1 महिनामै चेन्ज देखाउँदा कसैले पनि भन्दैन they will give you some time या अपरेशनल कुरामा you can handle but अपरेशनल कुरा भन्दा पनि I think we are missing out on lots of things क्या अहिलेको जेनेरेसन जसरी जान्छ सबैभन्दा पहिलो कुरा भनेको चाहिँ we are missing out on generational gap. Nobody is teaching us के जो चाहिँ मान्छे जस्तै म होटलमा जान्छु हैन म होटलमा जान्छु and I see lots of people and अब त्यो lots of people मा I see lots of people who have studied lots म भन्दा धेरै पढेको मान्छे पनि देख्छु म भन्दा थोरै पढेको मान्छे पनि देख्छु त्यो 30 इयर्स देखि काम गरेको मान्छे पनि देख्छु हैन अथवा चाहिँ I see my general manager I see my director of human resource हैन र उहाँहरु पनि 30 इयर्स काम गर्नु भएको छ र I see some associates who are still junior than me who are still working years on so you generational gap लाई ह्यान्डल गर्न कसरी तपाईले चाहिँ जेनेरेसन वाइज कम्युनिकेसन गर्ने यो कुराहरु हामीलाई कुनै पनि कलेजले सिकाउँदैन र त्यो मात्र नभइकन चाहिँ अब बिङ अ पार्ट अफ मिलेनियल जेनेरेसन हैन तपाईहरु एउटा मिलेनियल जेनेरेसन हुन्छ र जेनेरेसन वाइज वी हैव आवर ओन क्यारेक्टर्स र हामी यस्तो टाइममा जन्म्यौं कि वी हैव सीन इट अल फ्रम booming into technology हैन to 9/11 to यो earthquake र त्यो कुराहरुले हामीलाई कतै न कतै सबकन्शियसली चाहिँ इफेक्ट गरेकै हुन्छ के र यो पोइन्टमा आउँदा चाहिँ तपाईले अर्को सिक्न पर्ने कुराहरु भनेको चाहिँ लेट्स से तपाईहरुलाई कसैले पनि सिकाउँदैन कि हाउ डु यु रिजल्भ अ कन्फ्लिक्ट हाउ टु ह्याभ अ प्रपर कम्युनिकेसन एन्ड आई सी माई स्टुडेन्ट्स लट अफ पिपल डु नट ह्याभ राइटिङ स्किल्स के अब यो कुराहरु भनेको चाहिँ अब तपाईहरु इन्डस्ट्रीमा गएरै सिक्ने हुन त तर इफ यु डु नट ह्याभ अ बेसिक आइडिया इन्डस्ट्रीमा गएर तपाईहरु 0 देखि सुरु गर्ने कि एटलिस्ट इफ यु नो 1 to 5 देखि सुरु गर्ने त हैन अहिले म अब आई गो टु सर्टेन कलेजेस एन्ड दे आस्क मी टु डु करिकुलम्स आई डु नट डु करिकुलम्स आई नेभर डिड द्याट म कहिले गर्नेवाला पनि छैन त्यो rather I would do something like 6 thinking hats I would do conflict resolution I would do proper communication यस्तो टपिक्सहरु गर्ने हो नि त and because you guys actually need it के यो भनेको चाहिँ पढेर मात्रै सिक्ने कुरा हो तर अलिकति पढिसकेपछि पढ्दा फेरि कसरी ह्यान्डल गर्नुपर्छ so I think you guys need to study अथवा spend some time यो टाइम पनि यस्तो एक्स्ट्रा स्किलफुल कुराहरुमा चाहिँ हैन लिडरशिपको कुराहरु आउँछ we learn lots of things we watch lots of motivational things तर I don't think that's leadership के लिडरशिप भनेको चाहिँ तपाईहरु जब ठाउँमा पुग्नुहुन्छ अनि देखाउने कुरा हो र त्यो भन्दा अगाडि चाहिँ तपाईहरुलाई थाहा मात्र हुनुपर्छ लिडरशिप भनेको के हो तपाईहरुलाई थाहा हुनु पर्दैन कि स्टिभ जब्सले के गर्यो अथवा चाहिँ बिल गेट्सले के गर्यो उले गरेको कुरा तपाईहरुले गर्न सक्नु हुन्छ भन्ने त कुनै पनि ठाउँमा हुँदैन नि त हैन सबै मान्छेको लिडरशिप स्किल चाहिँ त्यो मान्छे कहाँ काम गरेको त्यो मान्छे कोसँग काम गरेको त्यसरी आउने हो if you ask every leader has a different way of working maybe there are few things common the way they talk may be common the way they put an example the way they use metaphor यस्तो कुराहरु कमन होला तर the way they take actions are never common नि त हैन so यही हो मैले भन्न खोजेको कुरा चाहिँ if you guys have any questions
एकचोटी निर्पेश थापाजीले ह्यान्ड रेज गर्नु भएको छ प्लिज अनम्युट गर्नु निर्पेश जी हजुर म्युटेड हुनुहुन्छ अनम्युट गर्नु होला
गुड आफ्टरनुन सर
गुड आफ्टरनुन
सर सन्चै हुनुहुन्छ
ठीक छ निर्पेश
सर अब के रे हाम्रो चाहिँ अब त नेपालमा होस् या इन्टरनेशनल सेक्टरमा होस् अब हाम्रो होटल लाइनको चाहिँ अब यो जब पाउन के कस्तो प्रोभिजनहरु छ यस्तो
अब भयो त्यति हो
हजुर त्यति
जबको कुरा गर्ने हो भने चाहिँ आई प्रिफर हैन म आई प्रिफर कि मलाई त होटलले साच्चै भन्नु पर्दा फेरि अझै 2 महिना छुट्टी दिन्छ सो टेक रेस्ट अहिलेको टाइममा चाहिँ डोन्ट जस्ट जम्प कि मैले जब कसरी पाउला अथवा त्यो कसरी पाउला अझै पनि आई थिंक 3 महिना चाहिँ छ हामीसँग अझै पनि छ के 3 महिनालाई चाहिँ कसरी चाहिँ यु बी यति क्यापेबल कि तपाईहरु जब खोज्न जान्न परोस् के हैन सो म तपाईहरुलाई एउटा एक्जाम्पल दिन्छु अनि हाउ आई बिकेम वान अफ द यंगेस्ट म्यानेजर इन सोल्टीको हिस्ट्री हैन अब टु बी भेरी अनेस्ट मैले आफूलाई यसरी डेभलप गरेँ कि मेबी अपरेसनलमा आई एम स्टिल ल्याकिङ हैन कति कुरा मलाई धेरै कुरा सिक्नु छ तर द वे यु टक टु पिपल द वे यु डिल विथ थिङ्स यस्तो कुराहरू तपाईहरुले सिक्नुपर्छ जस्तै व्हेन आई वेन्ट टु सोल्टी अनि द इन्टरभ्यू वाज फर 1.5 hours फर्स्ट इन्टरभ्यू 1.5 hours को इन्टरभ्यू मैले सुने पनि थिएन पहिले अनि पछि म सोल्टीमा जोइन भइसकेपछि मैले थाहा पनि पाएन कि 1.5 hours को पनि इन्टरभ्यू हुन्छ भनेर किनभने मैले बिङ अ लर्निङ एन्ड डेभलपमेन्ट म्यानेजर आई ह्याड टु टेक लट्स अफ इन्टरभ्युज फर आइक्रास म्यानेजमेन्ट ट्रेनिङ इन्टर्नसिप ट्रेनिङ हैन सो त्यो टाइममा चाहिँ आई थिङ्क यु निड टु लर्न राइट नाउ कि हाउ टु प्रुभ युर सेल्फ इन गिभन सिचुएसन सो हामी भनेको चाहिँ वी निड टु बी अ सेल्सम्यान हैन हामीले भनेको आफ्नो कला बेच्ने हो क्या बिङ अ हस्पिटालिटी स्टुडेन्ट यु आर नट तपाईहरु यु आर नट इन्जिनियर यु आर नट डक्टर यु आर नट हामी भनेको कुरै गरेर हामीले चाहिँ हैन कसरी डिल गर्ने त्यही हो हाम्रो कला भनेको इन्जिनियरले he doesn't needs to speak a lot. You just need to draw something, or you just need to get something on working. के बिग्रेको कुराहरु हैन अथवा if you see doctors they don't need to talk नि त अनि उहाँहरुलाई चाहिँ इमोसनल हुनुपर्छ अथवा चाहिँ त्यो लिडरशिप चाहिन्छ भन्ने कुरा हैन त उहाँहरुले त आफ्नो काम उहाँहरु स्किल बेस्ड म्यान पावर हो नि त हामी भनेको चाहिँ वी आर नट स्किल बेस्ड म्यान पावर वी आर सेल्सम्यान म त त्यो भन्छु के वी आर सेल्स पर्सन र आई थिंक यो टाइममा चाहिँ वी निड टु लर्न हाउ टु बी अ सेल्स पर्सन अब सेल्स पर्सन एज एन कि प्रडक्ट बेस्ड हैन तपाईले आफ्नो कला बेच्ने र त्यो कुरामा चाहिँ म अहिले के भन्छु भन्दाखेरि जति पनि फ्रेश पास आउट स्टुडेन्ट्स हुनुहुन्छ प्लिज गो ब्याक टु बेसिक्स भन्छु म चाहिँ एक्चुअली तपाईले जुन फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर सेकेन्ड सेमेस्टर थर्ड सेमेस्टर पढ्नु भएको छ बेसिक कुराहरु प्लिज गो ब्याक टु बेसिक्स प्लिज लर्न समथिङ त्यसबाट पनि धेरै कुरा सिक्न सकिन्छ आई स्टिल मसँग अहिले पनि मेरो ब्याचलर्सको नोटहरु छ के विच आई टर्न समटाइम्स हैन त्यसमा चाहिँ जस्तै मैले त्यहाँ ह्युमन रिसोर्स पढ्दा चाहिँ ब्याचलर्समा चाहिँ हस्पिटालिटीको ह्युमन रिसोर्स भन्ने सब्जेक्ट पढ्दा चाहिँ त्यो धेरै कुरा लेखेर रहेछ जुन मलाई अहिलेसम्म पनि थाहा थिएन के जुन अहिले म पढ्छु हैन so you go back to basics right now or you spend some time for your skills अहिले म तपाईहरुलाई सर्टेन एक्जाम्पलहरु दिन्छु हैन जस्तै there are certain online courses गराउने चाहिँ सर्टेन वेबसाइट्सहरु छ जस्तै there is something called Udemy हैन UDEMY Udemy भन्ने छ there is something called Khan Academy which was initiated by Salman Khan himself र अर्को there is something called Coursera so यो कुरामा चाहिँ तपाईहरुले अहिले यो टाइममा चाहिँ त्यहाँ गएर अनलाइन सेसन्स गर्नु भयो भने चाहिँ इट विल अल्सो गिभ यु सम बिहेभियरल ट्रेनिङ हैन यु क्यान सी समथिङ लाइक अब सिक्स थिंकिङ ह्याट यस्तो कुराहरु भनेर चाहिँ यो अहिले तपाईहरुले डेभलप गर्ने टाइम हो र जबको कुरा गर्दा फेरि चाहिँ मेबी इट विल टेक 6 months मेबी इट विल टेक 1 year यु जस्ट डोन्ट नीड टु प्यानिक राइट नाउ हैन अहिले प्यानिक चाहिँ नहुनु तर व्हेन तपाईहरुले जब जब पाउने बेला हुन्छ त्यति बेला चाहिँ एभ्रीवन विल obviously आस्क यु कि यो टाइम तपाईहरुले कसरी युटिलाइज गर्नुभयो र यो टाइममा तपाईहरु कसरी डेभलप हुनुभयो obviously you have been just completed your bachelor's from one of the biggest hospitality college in Nepal हैन अनि त्यो भनेर त तपाईलाई कसैले जब दिदैन obviously हैन तपाई कलिनरी आर्ट्सबाट आको भन्दैमा मात्र कसैले जब त दिनेवाला छैन नि त हैन सो दिस टाइम म भन्छु यो टाइममा चाहिँ युटिलाइज सम टाइम विथ स्पेन्ड सम टाइम विथ यु स्पेन्ड सम टाइम फर यु डोन्ट जस्ट अब यो टाइमलाई चाहिँ ग्रान्टेडमा नलिनुस् हैन अनि जबको कुरामा obviously मैले भनिहाले if you prepare yourself if you really prepare yourself you just don't need to worry about job भन्छु म चाहिँ I see अब मेरो साथीहरु पनि कति जना भन्छ कि they told me that they all अहिले पनि भनिरा हुन्छ कि we don't get proper jobs and all because I think they are not doing what they love okay and they have not prepared themselves to do what they are supposed to do हैन सो यो टाइम तपाईहरुको लागि छ र तपाईहरुले आफूले प्रिपेयर गर्नु पर्यो र जब भनेको obviously आज नपाउला भोलि नपाउला कुनै न कुनै दिन पाइ नै हाल्छ र त्यो पाउने बेलामा चाहिँ अब जब भनेको डोन्ट जस्ट गो एन्ड वर्क फर 10 to 5 म चाहिँ त्यो भन्दिनँ जब भनेको यु शुड डु समथिङ वेयर यु आर चेन्जिङ युर लाइफ एन्ड यु आर चेन्जिङ अदर्स लाइफ एज वेल एन्ड अहिले भन्नु पर्दा फेरि आई एम ह्यापी विथ व्हाट आई डु एन्ड आई एम ह्यापी विथ द पिपल आई वर्क I don't know how long I will work in Solty Crown Plaza or how long I will be working in hotel industry. So right now I am doing what I actually love. If someone asks me, do you have a dream? I would say I am living a dream right now because I transform lives. Maybe I don't know lots of things. तर मैले सिकाउने मात्र हैन म सिक्ने प्रोसेसमा पनि छु
हजुर
लर्निङ नेभर स्टप्स या
अनि उज्जवल सर यो ह्युमन रिसोर्स डिपार्टमेन्टको लागि चाहिँ के अरे हामी त जब पाउन चाहिँ के कस्तो प्रिपरेसन गर्नुपर्छ
अब
यो डिपार्टमेन्टको लागि चाहिँ के कस्तो प्रोभिजन छ
See, being a hospitality student, it's not you directly go to human resource department. No, you can, yeah, obviously you can start being an apprentice or a management trainee, but start the burn. So after completing bachelor's, you just don't want to go and get trained again and again and again to be a human resource. So my experience, I started from F&B, and Anjana Khadka is here, and she started from front office. We were kind of lucky. We knew how hotel runs first ma चाहिँ हैन हामीलाई यति चाहिँ थाहा भयो कि सुरुमा होटल कसरी रन हुन्छ द पीपल कसरी काम गर्छ त्यहाँ हाउ डु दे एक्चुअली वर्क हाउ डु दे परफर्म त्यो थाहा भइसकेपछि इट्स नट दैट हार्ड कि यु ट्रान्सफर इन्टु अनदर डिपार्टमेन्ट र मैले भनिहालेँ अब ट्रान्सफर त एउटा कुरा भएन यु क्यान अलवेज टेक ट्रान्सफर्स इन हस्पिटालिटी तपाईँ भोलि सेल्समा पनि जान सक्नुहुन्छ मेबी यु क्यान नट गो टु इन्जिनियरिङ अथवा फाइनेन्स तर अरू डिपार्टमेन्ट भनेको चाहिँ जस्तै ह्युमन रिसोर्सको कुरा भयो सेल्सको कुरा भयो एन्ड इभन इन ब्याक अफ द हाउसले चाहिँ अब अहिले त धेरै क्वालिटी डिपार्टमेन्ट्सहरू छ होइन कति होटलमा क्वालिटी चेक डिपार्टमेन्टहरू पछि गएर पर्चेस डिपार्टमेन्टहरू आई नो लट्स अफ पिपल हु एक्चुली ट्रान्सफर देमसेल्फ फ्रम डिपार्टमेन्ट टु डिपार्टमेन्ट र त्यो डिपार्टमेन्टहरूमा जान चाहिँ मेबी आई थिङ्क इट्स बेटर यु स्टार्ट विथ अपरेसन्स डिपार्टमेन्ट क्या तपाईँहरूलाई अपरेसन्स डिपार्टमेन्टमा के हुन्छ कसरी हुन्छ भन्ने थाहा भइसकेपछि चाहिँ आई थिङ्क इट्स प्रपर यु नो हाउ टु ह्यान्डल द ब्याक अफ द हाउस जस्तै तपाईँले फ्रन्टमा काम गर्नुभयो फ्रन्ट अफिसमा काम गर्नुभयो भने चाहिँ अथवा एफएनबीमा काम गर्नुभयो भने चाहिँ आई थिङ्क इट विल बी भेरी इजी फर यु टु गो टु सेल्स क्या सेल्समा गएर या यु विल टेक टाइम अभियसली तपाईँले जुन रिजल्ट एफएनबीमा अथवा फ्रन्ट अफिसमा दिइरहेको छ त्यो रिजल्ट नहोला होइन सुरुको 3 महिना आई थिङ्क इट विल बी इजी फर यु बिकज यु नो यर प्रडक्ट जस्तै टकिङ अबाउट मी सो वेन आई वाज इन एफएनबी मेरो म्याक्सिमम टाइम भनेको चाहिँ maybe because I was a new generation to F&B हैन त्यति बेलामा जति बेला मैले सोल्टीमा काम जोइन गरे most of my time was all about planning things हैन all about training people because I was fresh graduate अनि त्यो टाइममा मैले स्पेन्ड गरेको कारणले चाहिँ I kind of knew how to develop people अथवा how to develop policies within the hotel so त्यो कारणले पनि maybe I kind of got into L&D अथवा if you talk about Anjana Khadka, she knew how to have a quality in hotel, how to have quality in trainings, how to have quality in doing things because she was from quality department. So operation bada, if you want to go back of the house, that's fine. Also, if you directly want to go to back of the house, please apply for management trainee or please apply for apprentice, which you can always get in any of the biggest hotels. And they are always searching for fresh graduates. र तपाईहरुले 1 वर्षको इन्टर्नशिप अथवा 1 वर्षको म्यानेजमेन्ट ट्रेनिङ गरिसकेपछि इट विल नट बी हार्ड फर यु बिकज यु विल नो अल द कोर्स अफ द डिपार्टमेन्ट यु विल नो हाउ टु वर्क
ओके थ्यांक यू सर
थ्यांक यू निर्वेश जी अर्को एउटा क्वेशन आएको छ एउटा हाम्रो च्याट बक्समा मैले कपी पेस्ट गरे सर एकचोटी हेर्दिनु हुन्छ च्याट बक्समा मैले कपी पेस्ट गरेको माथिबाट
I think, yeah, well, see, if you talk about government, it's always frustrating, at least in our country, especially being a person from hospitality. धेरै कुराहरु हुन्छ जुन हामीले भन्न पनि मिल्दैन हैन यो टाइम चाहिँ मलाई के लाग्यो लास्ट टाइम जति बजेट आयो जुन बजेट आउने बेलामा गभर्नमेन्टले पहिला इन्डस्ट्रीलाई नै हेरेन भन्दाखेरि या obviously students are gonna suffer and industry नहेरिकन उनीहरुले स्टुडेन्ट हेर्दैन I think this is the time where college universities has to come up in front अब चाहिँ गभर्नमेन्टले के भन्छ हामी त्यही फलो गर्छौं भन्दा चाहिँ lots of you are studying in TU अथवा KU few of you हैन your college is like independent college like Academy of Culinary Arts अब तपाईहरुले चाहिँ you should not sorry your college should not actually wait for कि गभर्नमेन्टले के पोलिसी ल्याउँछ र हामीले त्यो फलो गर्छौं भन्दैन I think you guys should step up and अब चाहिँ तपाईहरुले चाहिँ तपाईहरुको जति स्टुडेन्टहरु हुनुहुन्छ you guys need to talk about it and you guys need to research about it हैन ल ठीक छ अब रिसर्च गर्ने तर कतिवटा इन्डस्ट्रीमा रेस्ट्रिक्सन्स राख्ने अब रिसर्च गर्ने भन्दैमा चाहिँ आयुर्वेद कसरी बन्छ खानाबाट भन्ने त्यो रिसर्च गर्न जाने हैन त होटलमा स्टुडेन्टले हैन सो there need to be some planning done by you yourself and you need to get it to your coordinators, you need to get it to your administration head. र त्यो कुरा कतिको फ्लेक्सिबल छ, त्यो कुरा कतिको पोसिबल छ अहिलेको टाइममा हैन। र या अभियसली अब तपाईहरुले गभर्नमेन्टको कुरा गर्नु भयो भने चाहिँ अब मलाई होटलमै केही पनि आएन, त्यो पनि एकदम दुःख लाग्दो कुरा छ। जस्तै अब फर एक्जाम्पल एउटा राम्रो पार्ट भनेको ठुलो होटललाई चाहिँ 300 प्लस इम्प्लोइज भएको होटललाई चाहिँ कति कुरामा ट्याक्स छुट गरिदिएको छ। तर आई डोन्ट थिंक त्यो 300 प्लस होटल भएको 300 प्लस इम्प्लोइ भएको होटललाई ट्याक्सको केही पनि छुटको जरुरत थियो पनि जस्तो लाग्दैन मलाई। आई थिंक इट्स द स्मल बिजनेस द्याट्स नीड टु रिभाइभ। हैन हाम्रो होटलमा म्याक्सिमम हाम्रो कन्ट्रीमा म्याक्सिमम होटल्स हेर्नु भयो भने देयर आर 50 प्लस रुम्स 100 प्लस रुम्स। त्यो भन्दा त्यो 300 प्लस रुम सरी 300 प्लस इम्प्लोइज भएको होटल कति नै होला र नेपालमा? 5 वटा 6 वटा। अनि अब गभर्नमेन्टले 5 वटा 6 वटा होटललाई हेर्ने कि त्यो 500-600 वटा चाहिँ इमर्जिङ बिजनेसलाई हेर्ने हो त हैन। त्यही भएर चाहिँ आई थिंक दिस इज द टाइम वेयर we need to take our steps, we need to do something of our own. अब गभर्नमेन्टले गरेन भन्दैमा अब त्यो प्रोटेस्टै गर्नुपर्छ, बाहिर गएर त्यो कराउनै पर्छ भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ होइन हैन। तर you being yourself, you talking to something possibility, you talking about possibility, you can do it by yourself हैन। र आफ्नो रिसर्च गर्दा चाहिँ प्लिज तपाईहरुले आफ्नो भनेर एक्लै नगर्नुस् कहिले पनि। अनि you guys have a student तपाईहरुको अहिलेको जति पनि कलेजमा फ्याकल्टीहरु हुनुहुन्छ, आई गो टु कलेज, आई सी यङ फ्याकल्टीज, उहाँहरुले सपोर्ट गर्नुहुन्छ हैन। र अब गभर्नमेन्टले गरेन भनेर चित्त दुखाएर चाहिँ नबस्नुस्, त्यो चित्त दुखाउने ठाउँ धेरै छ हैन। त्यो भयो भने तपाईहरु 4 महिना जति चित्तै मात्र दुखाएर बस्नु पर्छ हैन, गभर्नमेन्टले हाम्रो लागि केही गरेन भनेर। सो आई थिंक अब पोसिबिलिटी हेरेर र त्यसको कम्प्याबिलिटी हेरेर चाहिँ तपाईहरुले जसरी रिसर्च गर्ने कुरा गर्नुभयो अथवा टेकिङ न्यू स्टेप्सको कुरा गर्नुभयो त्यसमा चाहिँ प्लिज मेक इट कम्प्याटिबल विदिन योरसेल्फ हैन। हेर्नुस् तपाईहरुको कलेजमा सिनियरहरुसँग डिस्कस गर्नुस् हैन, अथवा वी आर अलवेज देयर फर यु गाइज, हामीलाई सोध्नुस् हैन, हामीलाई थाहा भएको कुरा हामी भन्छौँ। र प्लिज इन्भल्भ सम पिपल फ्रम एडमिनिस्ट्रेसन इन योर कलेज क्या, किनभने भोलि त्यो रिसर्च त गर्यो अब तपाईले सर्टिफिकेट पाउने बेलामा चाहिँ अलिकति गाह्रो भयो भने त्यो पनि मजा आएन नि त। सो यु गो विथ द आइडिया टु योर एडमिनिस्ट्रेसन, अनि एडमिनिस्ट्रेसनले के भन्छ रिसर्च त गर्ने, तर कसरी गर्ने, केमा गर्ने, देयर विल अलवेज बी रेस्ट्रिक्सन, त्यो कुरालाई चाहिँ फलो गर्नुपर्छ।
हजुर, थ्याङ्क यू सो मच सर, आइडिया र हजुरको नलेज सेयर गरिदिनु भएकोमा। अरू कसैलाई क्वेसन छ भने प्लिज ह्यान्ड रेज गरिदिनु होला, नत्र च्याट बक्समा क्वेसन लेखिदिँदा पनि हुन्छ। त्योभन्दा पहिला चाहिँ हामी आर्याजीबाट केही सुन्न चाहन्छौँ, उहाँले च्याट बक्समा लेख्नु भएको रहेछ। प्लिज अनम्युट गरेर बोल्दिनु।
Hi again everyone. Like Ujjwal, I have to say you put it across perfectly. You know, all of you shouldn't focus on jobs. I've been in hotel industry, associated with the hotel industry for 17 years. I also started very early. By the age of 22, I joined Solti as an assistant front office manager, and by 30, I'm 35 now, not that old. By 30, I've become a general manager in India. So, I mean, Anjana is there. Taradai was also there sometime. You know, they've been my colleagues. They've worked with me. We've gone through some tough times. We've been there when Solti was not at its best. You know, it's improved a lot, I must say. But when we were there, it was a very different thing. So the first thing, like Ujjwal has mentioned, is to utilize like 4 months. Now from hospitality, I've turned into tech support, right? I don't know much about IT, right? But hospitality business is such a business that it is about structuring, and you can be even in a hospital in administrative position handling doctors. So that's the power you have being in hospitality. That is one thing you have to understand. So when you say hotels mein job science you can divert yourself into every possible field smartly, what you want to do. Secondly, to answer about that government thing, we are working on projects, tech-based projects with government. The thing is, government has no clue, right? Even if you go with a perfect project to them, they are, sorry to say this word, they are completely blind. They don't know what they need to do. Like, as you can see, you know, world, they are opening hotels, they are opening restaurants, but phase-wise with proper precautions. their government guidelines, their certifications. So yes, it is tough times, but it will be very, very dumb of us not utilizing these 4 months. If you've not, it's still not late, because like Ujjwal said, this is going to go around, according to my calculation, if you see it, and with the testing and all going in the market with the government and everything, this will go on for a year easily. And if you think you'll get a job right away, it won't. Let's face the facts, because the two things that affect hotels revenues, like the cost, is one is HLP, that is your electricity and everything, and second is employee. So employees are the first preference, because you can't do without electricity and all. So employees will be the first person to get laid off. That is quite obvious. Any business, if a company can't sustain, how will it sustain its people, right? So people at bigger positions will work at lesser salary. So if you think you are going to get a position of a supervisor, an executive might be taking that position at that salary just now, because that person has lost a job from some other hotel. So things are going to change drastically, but you don't need to worry. During our times, when we started in college and all, we didn't have that much of internet and that much of research work. You have everything on your phone, you can do anything on your phone. So if you're not utilizing this time and tomorrow you complain, I've got a job, I'm not apt for it, that's your fault. You can't blame anyone. You can't blame COVID. You can't blame the government. You can't blame the hotels. This, you go abroad, it's going to be much more tougher abroad than here. Because first they're going to focus on their citizens, not outsiders. Because everyone is hit across the globe. So, this is something, like Ujjwal said, you cannot control. Like, we are coming up, like I told you, for past 2 years, I was launching a platform which was only focused on selling Nepal, right? The first platform which doesn't sell any global countries. We do not sell anything except for Nepal tourism, right? So we had to put it on hold. Then we were like, what next? Now COVID is, we knew COVID is going to hit us in February very badly. When the news started, you have to read a lot of news. This is what everyone doesn't do. Most of the people I see, young generation, is on TikTok, making those videos and crap like that, and suddenly you want to be this genius manager. As I pass out of college, I should get a job, I should get this. We worked hard. You can ask Anjana. There have been nights where people have worked for 18 hours, but that is productive work, right? You see, I've been in Nepal when students used to come. If you told them to do 2 hours extra, they will make a face, right? So it's upon your hard work, your delivery, your learning capacity. Because once you enter any business, no one is going to sit there and teach you. Let me be very honest. No one is going to say, Ki la, Sabi, come here, I'll teach you this, right? They are going to say, you don't know that much. Let me tell you facts about life, okay? So, but you have that motive, you have that, data available for you to groom yourself, like Ujjwal has said. And Ujjwal, I must say, it doesn't seem like you are new to the industry. You are very well read. You've grasped a lot of knowledge, I must say. It was very impressive what you've said, and you've said, like, I can't fault anything of yours, or I would add on. That's what I had said. I would like to add on what Ujjwal has said, rather than, say Ujjwal has said something wrong. But facts of industry is that. And I want to tell everyone who's present here, if you need any help, the same name, you can just type, connect on Facebook, get on a call, ask what you want to do. Because even if you do a research, the research techniques over here is wrong. Let me tell you that. The structuring, tomorrow you want to do a startup, the startup structuring is wrong. Why aren't investors coming into Nepal, even if you want to do startups tomorrow? We are investing technology into few startups which are already existing in Nepal, right? So we are in talks for that. If it happens, it doesn't happen. But I know by the end of it, I will like to, touch my base with hospitality, with hotels. We can do, and this is the best opportunity. There are a lot of jobs which have gone. There are a lot of people will look for jobs in next coming months. But the question comes is, are you prepared for it? There are enough experts sitting here who have, done their bit. So my suggestion is, this time, don't waste a moment. Till date, I sleep for 4 to 5 hours a day. I ensure that I spend time with my family. I ensure I put in enough work to know what is going on, understand entire COVID. Main thing is to understand how COVID is impacting global economy. Once you understand that, how it's impacting global economy, you will realize how micro level it affects Nepal. And once you've understood that, you'll get ideas what to learn, where to research, what to do. Most of the people are just saying, oh, COVID aayo, sabbe kura bigriyo. It is always remember, I know it's a stupid, I mean, it's a very insensitive thing to say, but with every chaos comes opportunity, right? And always remember, if you're working under, there are a lot of leaders also. My suggestion is tomorrow, one of you, all of you will be a leader tomorrow. Always remember, a good leader doesn't have many followers. A good leader will only focus on creating more leaders. That is what I believe in, right? But no one has the time to teach you the basics, teach you the applications of things that you need to do. You have to understand. I'm sure over here, hospitality students would know how to calculate occupancy, right? RevPAR, occupancy and all. But do you know the effect, how you can manipulate occupancy as well as RevPAR to effect to your revenues? When you need to focus on occupancy, when you need to focus on RevPAR, that college doesn't teach you, and that is sad. I was lucky to go to a college in India which taught us revenue management, yield management, everything. So I'm sorry I'm taking a lot of time, but all I'm saying is, I mean, offline, whenever you want to connect, everyone is most welcome. Another thing, research and everything, learn about it, how it's done. You know, because just researching and not coming to a hypothesis or a conclusion, or if not impacting in a realistic, feasible way, it is useless. So I would wish everyone all the best. And if anyone wants to touch base, you are most welcome. And I'm sure I'm going to catch Sabine to take in future few only question and answers of hospitality people, nothing else, no lectures like what Ujjwal did, like what Anjana is going to do, right? So thank you everyone. Thank you Ujjwal. Thank you Sabine, right? So I would give the floor to Anjana before I take up half the time. I talk a lot, right?
Okay, thank you, sir. We'll surely do that. Surely do that. Our second guest speaker is right here. Anjana ma'am.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
हजुरको इन्ट्रोडक्सन चाहिँ अघि नै भइसक्यो हजुर नभएको टाइममा.
I'm so sorry because I was in another program. Actually, we are doing one of a unique collaboration with hospital and hospitality, like hospital and hotels. We are collaborating with each other to work together to improve the aesthetically clean standards in hospital, and then making hotels also clinically clean, because now, you know, because of COVID-19, our aesthetically clean hotel is not enough. So we have to make sure that we are clinically clean. So regarding the same program, I'm still here at Duli Khel. So the meeting got a little bit prolonged. So I'm really, really sorry for that. So shall I start with the presentation, or if there is anything, I would ask Sabine to please let me know.
त्योभन्दा पहिला एकचोटि हाम्रो एउटा प्रकृतिजीको क्वेसन आएको छ कि प्रकृतिजी हजुर आफै भनिदिनुहुन्छ कि म भनौँ? ओके, ठिकै छ, म क्वेसन पढिदिन्छु है त, च्याट बक्समा छ, एकचोटि म कपी पेस्ट पनि गर्छु. उहाँको क्वेसन चाहिँ के छ भन्दाखेरि, व्हाट डु यु सजेस्ट फर द पिपल प्लानिङ टु बी एन एन्टरप्रेन्योर इन फ्युचर? Will this time affect them? Because tourism industry is always, what do you suggest for the people? यही नै हो म्याम, यो एन्टरप्रेन्योरशिप गर्ने मान्छेहरूलाई चाहिँ यो टाइमले इफेक्ट गर्छ फ्युचरमा भनेर सोधिरहनु भएको छ.
Is this question for me or for Ujjwal?
I would like to say something on this, and you can add.
Okay, you tell something and then I will tell. No problem.
Yeah, obviously, see, affect the हाम्रो डे टु डे लाइफले नै गर्छ हैन, बट कोभिडले obviously affect गरि नै हाल्छ हैन. तपाईको बिहानको मुडले नै तपाईको बिजनेस अफेक्ट गर्छ भने कोभिडले नगर्ने किन हो र? त्यो बाहेकको कुरा चाहिँ I think there are lots of positive aspects as well. नेपालमा एन्टरप्रेन्योरशिप भनेको, you know, there are lots of, हामीले अहिले हेर्छौँ होइन lots of people doing businesses and all, but most of us actually what we do भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ we just copy things क्या. अनि मैले हिजो भर्खर एउटा स्टोरी सुनेको थिएँ, म तपाईँहरूलाई भन्छु होइन स्टोरी, तपाईँहरूलाई स्टोरी सुन्न बोर चाहिँ नलागोस्. सो एउटा ठाउँ छ होइन, यता तपाईँहरू सबैले दक्षिणकाली त थाहा होला है, थाहा नभएको कोही छ भने हात उठाउनुहोस् है. दक्षिणकालीबाट आउने बेला एउटा ठाउँमा चाहिँ अलिकति सुनसान बाटो छ, एउटा पोइन्टमा आएर चाहिँ होइन. त्यो सुनसान बाटोमा चाहिँ अनि राति भुताउँछ भन्छन् क्या, भुताउँछ अरे, त्यहाँ अब के आउँछ अरे भन्ने कुराहरू छ. र एक दिन चाहिँ एकजना मान्छे चाहिँ, एकजना केटा मान्छे चाहिँ राति अब त्यहाँबाट चाहिँ घर आउनु पर्ने होइन. अनि त्यहाँबाट घर आउँदा चाहिँ अब राति भएछ उसलाई, हात्तीवन रिजोर्टमा चाहिँ ऊ चाहिँ अब पार्टी गरेर घर आउनु लाग्यो. त्यहाँबाट आउँदाखेरि राति भयो, राति 12-1 बजीतिर फर्किरहेको रहेछ. अनि फर्किँदाखेरि चाहिँ के भएछ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ एकजना केटीले राति 12-1 बजी चाहिँ उसँग लिफ्ट मागेछ होइन. अब लिफ्ट माग्दाखेरि अब राति त्यही माथि केटी देखेपछि केटा मान्छेले रोकिहाल्यो होइन. सबैजना बदमास त हो होइन. र अर्को कुरा चाहिँ अब रोक्न त रोक्यो, तर कहाँ जानुपर्ने हो, उसलाई घर जान हतार भएको छ. घरको बाटो पर्छ कि पर्दैन भन्ने कुरामा चाहिँ केटीले के भनेछ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ मलाई कृतिपुर जाने बाटोसम्म मात्रै छोडिदिनु, मलाई टियु गेटसम्म मात्रै छोडिदिनु भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ अब उसलाई बाटोमा केही इफेक्ट पर्ने भएन भनेर उसले चाहिँ लिएर गएछ. अनि लिएर जाँदाखेरि उसलाई मनमा कता कता देयर इज समथिङ रङ पनि भइरहेको रहेछ क्या. किनभने राति 12-1 बजे एकजना केटी सेतो लुगा लाएर बस्थ्यो, हामीले भूतको कथा मात्रै सुनिरहेको हो नि त होइन. अनि गर्दा चाहिँ उसलाई मनमा चाहिँ डर रहेछ होइन. तर अब त्यही पनि केही हुँदैन होला भनेर चाहिँ ऊ चाहिँ गएछ. अनि त्यसपछि जाँदा बाटोमा गएर डर लाग्दै आएपछि चाहिँ के भएछ भन्दाखेरि उसले चाहिँ त्यो साइड मिररबाट केटीको फेस हेर्न खोजेछ होइन. एउटा पोइन्टमा आइसकेपछि चोकमा बत्ती बाल्या हुन्छ नि त, त्यो बत्ती बाल्या ठाउँमा आएर चाहिँ अब म यसको फेस चाहिँ हेर्छु एकचोटि भन्दाखेरि साइड मिररमा यसो हेरेछ, पुरै कालो देख्छ, केही अनुहारै छैन रे होइन. अब त झन् डर लाग्यो मनमा, बाइक चलाइरहेछ. अनि त्यसपछि फेरि अलि अगाडि गएछ, पछाडि फर्केर यसो खुट्टा हेरेछ, खुट्टा त पछाडि फर्केको छ अरे. अब हाम्रो एउटा कन्सेप्ट के छ भने बच्चामा चाहिँ के हुन्छ, किचपन्डी आउँछ अरे, खुट्टा पछाडि फर्केको हुन्छ अरे, अनुहार यस्तो हुन्छ उस्तो हुन्छ भन्ने कन्सेप्ट छ. अनि त्यसपछि हत्तन बाइक रोकेर बाइकै छोडेर टाप हानेछ होइन. अनि एकछिन त्यहाँ गएर सोचेछ, अनि होइन के चाहिँ हो त यो भनेर. अनि यसो फर्केर लुकेर हेरेछ, त्यो बिचरा केटी फर्स्ट टाइम बाइक चढेको थियो अरे क्या, उल्टो चढिछ क्या उता होइन. सो हाम्रो देशमा चाहिँ एन्टरप्रेनरसिप भनेको त्यस्तै भइरहेछ क्या अहिले होइन. अब एउटा मान्छेले के भन्यो, हाम्रो माइन्डमा एउटा सेट भइसकेको हुन्छ. जस्तो तपाईँहरूले हेर्नुभयो भने चाहिँ जस्तै झम्सिकलमा जानुहोस्, तपाईँहरू ठमेलमा जानुहोस्, एउटा रेस्टुरेन्ट खोल्यो चल्यो, ल अर्कोले रेस्टुरेन्ट खोल्यो, रिसर्च गर्नु छैन होइन. केही पनि अब रेस्टुरेन्ट खोल्ने भनेर कुन चाहिँ कुजिन राख्ने थाहा छैन. तपाईँहरू हेर्नुभयो भने झम्सिकलमा इट्स अ टुरिस्ट प्लेस वेयर लट्स अफ टुरिस्ट एक्चुअली स्टे होइन. अथवा चाहिँ इभन तपाईँले अब यु सी लट्स अफ पिपल हु अर्न्स लट्स अफ मनी होइन, रिच पिपल स्टेज देयर. त त्यहाँ गएर तपाईँहरू हेर्नु भने चाहिँ नो वान नोज, मेबी फ्यु अफ द रेस्टुरेन्ट नोज होइन. तर धेरै रेस्टुरेन्टलाई यो चाहिँ थाहा छैन कि त्यो एरियामा कुन चाहिँ ब्याकग्राउन्डको मान्छे चाहिँ धेरै बस्छ. युरोपियन धेरै बस्छ कि अमेरिकन धेरै बस्छ कि होइन, अथवा एसियनहरू नै धेरै बस्छ कि. सो वी डु नट फलो अप अन दिस थिङ्स क्या होइन. हामीले चाहिँ यस्तो कुराहरू चाहिँ फलो गर्दैनौँ. अब यो किन गर्दैनौँ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ हामीलाई सबकन्सियसली हिट भइरहेछ क्या अहिले पनि. एउटा रेस्टुरेन्ट खोल्यो, रेस्टुरेन्ट चल्यो, ल रेस्टुरेन्ट खोल्यो, कफी सप खोल्यो, कफी सप चल्यो, र कफी सप खोलिदिने. देयर इज नो न्यू, नो नथिङ न्यू, नो कन्सेप्ट. अब अहिले के हुन्छ, अब एउटा टेक अवे खोल्छ होइन, टेक अवे चल्छ है. अब टेक अवे चल्ने बित्तिकै भट्टाभट टेक अवे खोल्न थाल्छ. तर टेक अवे खोल्दा फेरि पनि धेरै कुराको ध्यान दिनुपर्ने हुन्छ, कहाँ खोल्ने. अब टेक अवे लिँदाखेरि जस्तै हामीले विदेशको टेक अवे देख्दाखेरि के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ पिपल गो इन कार्स होइन, दे पे इन फर्स्ट स्टेसन, सेकेन्ड स्टेसनमा जाँदाखेरि झ्यालबाट उहाँको खानाहरू रेडी भएर आइसकेको हुन्छ. त्यो फास्ट सर्भिस दिन सकिन्छ कि सकिँदैन होइन. र टेक अवेमा कस्तो कस्तो खाना राख्ने होइन. आइसी अब टेक अवे भने हुन्छ अनि स्पागेटीहरू बेचिरहेको हुन्छ. And I don't know how that becomes a takeaway. That's home delivery. Obviously, that's something you take it home and eat. You don't eat it in your car, nita. So, अब entrepreneurship त गर्ने, तर कसरी गर्ने भन्दा चाहिँ if you really want to take most of it, your time there are lots of things you can actually learn in internet. अघि सरले पनि भन्नुभयो होइन. सो लर्न अबाउट वाट यु वान्ट टु डु रेस्टुरेन्ट त खोल्ने रेस्टुरेन्ट खोल्नु नराम्रो कुरा होइन तर कस्तो रेस्टुरेन्ट खोल्ने कुन चाहिँ कुजिन राख्ने हाउ यु एक्चुअली लर्न अबाउट द कुजिन्स द्याट यु वान्ट टु प्ले होइन अथवा सकेसम्म अभियसली नेपाली कुजिन राख भन्छु म चाहिँ होइन अथवा चाहिँ हाउ यु प्राइस योर मेन्युज अबको टाइममा लकडाउनमा आइसकेपछि यु विल नट फाइन्ड लट्स अफ थिङ्स द्याट एक्चुअली कम्स फ्रम आउटसाइड होइन जस्तै अब हाम्रो होटेलमा एउटा चाइनिज रेस्टुरेन्ट छ त्यहाँ धेरै कुरा चाहिँ थाइल्यान्डबाट र चाइनाबाट आउँछ अब त्यो प्रडक्टहरूलाई हामीले कसरी चाहिँ म्यानिपुलेट गर्न सकिन्छ होइन भोलि गएर अब क्वालिटी गिराएर जे पाए त्यही हालेर बेच्न सकिँदैन नि त सो हाउ यु डु योर मेनु प्लानिङ हाउ यु डु योर रेस्टुरेन्ट सेटअप्स होइन र तपाईँहरूको टेक अवे डेलिभरी वाट एभर तपाईँहरूले अब सर्भिस कसरी दिनुहुन्छ यो टाइममा आएर मान्छे रेस्टुरेन्टमा छिर्न त छिर्ला तर कोही मान्छे नजिक आएर सर के खानुहुन्छ भने अथवा सर मेनु भनेर दिएपछि चाहिँ हामीलाई डर त लाग्छ नि त सो हाउ डु यु युज इट एन्ड अब डिजिटलाइजेसनको कुरामा पिपल हेभ स्टार्टेड अहिले अब लट्स अफ अब टेक कम्पनी जसले चाहिँ आफ्नो म त्यहाँ जाने वाइफाई कनेक्ट गर्ने एन्ड यु गो टु वेबसाइट यु अर्डर बाई देम योर सेल्फ यु डु नट निड एनी सम वान टु टेक यर अर्डर्स के होइन सो यस्तो कुराहरूमा चाहिँ यस्तो इनोभेटिभ आइडियाहरू चाहिँ लिएर आउनु पर्यो सो एन्टरप्रेनरसिप भन्दा चाहिँ अघि मैले पनि एउटा अब ठुलै मान्छेबाट सुनेको कथा हो त्यो होइन त्यो कथा जस्तो चाहिँ हुनु भएन
हजुर थ्याङ्क यू सर एकदम इन्ट्रेस्टिङ स्टोरी भन्नुभयो अब चाहिँ अञ्जना म्यामले केही एडअप गरेर सेसनलाई कन्टिन्यू गरिदिनु होला
Sure, thank you so much. It was really interesting story. हामीले सुनिरहेको पहिला पनि सुनेको थियो एक दुईचोटि but the way Ujjwal has put into connecting together with the issue was little different and which gave us I think everyone have understood in depth whenever you connect with any stories you will never forget that. So I hope whenever you remember this story you will always think about this thing and you'll always remember to do a proper research as you told. So definitely that was very correct. And then on the other hand, like most of us have this COVID-19, the most of the impact are the mental, rather than the real impact. Most of them are mental. So first of all, we have to make sure we understand things correctly. And then as we are talking about this entrepreneurship, what I would like to tell is that this is the best time for you to do entrepreneurship if you are really interested to become an entrepreneur in future, because a lot of opportunities are there. Because when everything is normal, everything is there, then many people, as you told, one people start something, everybody will start following the same. But currently the situation is a little different. So this is the time for you to do a little bit of research and try to bring something new, something different, So what you can do, how we can provide contactless service, what are the different things, so what are the different products that will be used in future, because we know we have already, I think you all have already discussed about a lot of impacts of COVID, how long it's going to stay and all. So definitely it's actually what I would like to say is that COVID-19 will not leave us now. It will stay forever. Because it's like any pandemic that used to be before. Definitely there might be some vaccines or some medicines that might come in future, but COVID-19 will be there forever. And not only COVID, but similar kind of viruses and new disease or many things we might expect in future. So this is the best time for you to do a proper research to make sure you do something unique, something which will also be useful for future, because whatever thing we did in past will not be helpful now, even though it becomes new normal, because these things are already there in the mind of people. So what you have to do is you have to make sure you assure them that you are very hygienically or clinically clean. You have got all the processes and steps in your new business that will make sure that people will believe that this is not so much risky, it's risk-free, So that kind of things you have to implement. And if you really click on something new, something very interesting, then this gonna be very, very helpful for you in future. And this will be an opportunity for you to have some, future benefits doing some business as well. So that's what I would like to add up, because everything has already been told, so only wanted to add up this one.
Thank you, ma'am. Obviously, हाम्रो टपिकमा जानुपर्छ जस्तो लागिरहेछ.
Okay, sure. So I think you have already discussed about the impact of COVID. सो मैले चाहिँ अहिले के गरेको छु भन्दाखेरि what are अब अहिले international market मा त we see there are a lot of things that people have already researched, already implemented, and a lot of countries are already open. So their hotels and restaurants and everything is, they are trying to run it smoothly. So we in Nepal also, we are facing a lot of challenge currently because we don't have a proper process. As you also told, we don't have any instruction from the government. We don't have any instruction, a proper instruction to, run things. So what we are doing in Nepal is currently we are also doing a lot of research, and we are also, putting things in places and try, before opening the hotel, what we are doing is currently we are training our employees. Currently we are trying to implement some of the things in the hotel to maintain social distance, to make it hygienically clean, clinically clean, whatever things we can do. So I've got a small presentation here regarding what we are trying to do it. There are a lot of things which we haven't still implemented, but we are in the process. So whatever we have been able to do till now, I would like to show you. Can you see my screen?
हजुर म्याम देखिरहेछ.
Okay, so now what are the things we have to focus in? Like if we are planning to run any of the hotel or F&B or hospitality related business, or especially we are talking about hotel now, so we have to think from guest journey to colleagues journey, from guest journey to departure, everything, all the touch points of the guest, we have to consider that. So we have to think about arrival and departure, what are the different things we can do. We have to think about how to check in, check out, what will be the journey during the reception touch points, and what are the things that we can do during the stay. What are the things we can do in our restaurants and bars inside the hotels, or it might be an individual restaurant and bar as well, and what we can do for the banquets, because nowadays it was a very successful business. One of the successful business was individual banquets as well. And then if we are talking about hotels like Solti Crown Plaza, actually our highest revenue and business comes from banquet. So now the situation is totally different. So we have to also think about how we can run the business or still continue to do the same. So guest room, what are the things, because guest room is the place where the guest touches most of the things inside the room. So what are the things we can do inside a guest room? So that is also one of the important point. And another one is guest journey through meetings and events and everything, like, and then what about the colleagues who are, enter and exit from the hotel? What are the different things we can do at a minimum, at like some of the things which can become a minimum standard. So more than that, it depends upon the company itself, if they can afford or if they can implement, that is well good. But the basic standard, what we have to do. So let me start from reception, the guest experience, arrival experience. So now we have to make sure that there should be mandatory temperature checks, of course. If there is no mandatory temperature check, people will start thinking that, this place is not so much secure, because it's more mental now, right? So we have to make sure that we have, and it's not only mental, but it will help you to identify if somebody has a fever, because that's a symptom. So nowadays, if anybody has any symptom of COVID, then they have to make sure that they stay in isolation, they have to quarantine themselves, make sure that they stay isolated for at least 14 days so that the impact will not spread. So that will break the chain now, right? Because what happened initially when the COVID-19 spread, it was because of one person, one single person, and it went to such a huge number. It's all because we did not maintain this social distance and we did not take care of all these things, the small things. So these things should be there in place. And then there should be mandatory hand sanitizers before entry into the hotel for the guests as well. It can be a sensor or it can be foot pedal sanitizers, whatever, but it has to be there. And there should be strict social distancing guidelines. And a lot of hotels, they already have prepared the posters, which will make sure the guest understands very clearly the notice with some pictures as well, so that they will be well aware that we have to maintain the social distance, and this is how we have to start living now. Because once you start doing something new, then that's become usual thing for you. So initially in the first phase, it might be some of the guests might feel a little bit hesitant to, do all kind of things. They might think what are the, what kind of nonsense services, they might think like that. But, it is for their own safety. So they will also slowly start believing that it's for them. And what we can do also, because they have been traveling from different countries and different places, so they might get infected anywhere. So baggages are also can be sanitized using the fogging machine. And we are actually using the chemical called Virex, which disinfects the virus, which actually not only makes the virus sleep or inactive, but it also kills them, so that it completely makes sure that none of the viruses are there. So these kind of chemicals we can use to scan the luggage as well. And in the front desk also, actually we are in the hospitality industry, and we should always smile and greet and make the guests feel really happy. But now if you see in the picture, this is what we are now doing it in our hotel in reception. So it seems like, our smile and everything is gone. But what people are also doing nowadays is like some of them are creating some of the masks with the smile, or some of them are creating the masks which is a transparent mask, so that even though you are smiling, people can see from outside. So that kind of masks also, big people are becoming very, very innovative now. So if this goes up, then that person have become a very good entrepreneur, because that gets sellable in the market very nicely. So that's why I told you this is the best time for you to get innovative, think about a lot of new things that you can implement in the hotel. So or in any of the business. So what we are doing, we are also keeping the sanitizers in the reception desk as well. And hotel colleagues are wearing all these masks, gloves, face protectors at the reception, because this is the place where they are mostly in contact with the guests. So, and then to avoid the contact less service, to make sure there is a contactless service, we're also collecting the details like ID cards, CC, credit cards, and all these details before arrival, so that there is not much contact during the check-in. And we also need to make sure that the pens, the pens which are touched by guests are kept separately, and the sanitized pen are kept separately, so that people will feel that this is very secure. So these kind of things also we have to do. And then we have to keep separate paperwork, for the registration card also. We are planning to put some acrylic plastic, and only the place where guests can sign will be open, so that there will not be any much contact. So, and then there are floor markers as well. So we have recently received the floor markers with the footstep. So that has been put now. So I took this picture a day before. During that time, it was not there. So the floor markers are kept, so that people are all educated where they have to stand, and why they have to maintain social distance, and so on. And even in the lift is one of the places where most of the people get crowd. So here also we have to make sure that the signs are there, so that social distancing is also maintained in the lift area as well. And for the F&B areas, any of the restaurant, there should also be the sanitizers. It can be a foot pedal sanitizer or a sensor sanitizer, but it has to be there before entrance, so that you keep on using the sanitizers. And when you use the sanitizers also, it's not like most of the people, what we do, we put the sanitizer and we do just like this and then done. But what we have to remember is that if we want to make sure our hands are hygienically and clinically clean, then we have to follow that 7 steps of hand washing when we use the sanitizer as well. And this is the thing that I have currently learned from the hospital during this course that we are doing. So they were putting the sanitizers, and make sure you follow all these kind of steps, do like this, or here, wrist, and everything with the sanitizer, so that the risks are minimized. Because the most common thing is like either washing your hands, and if washing your hand is not possible, then sanitize. So that is the most important thing, which will help to minimize the spread of COVID-19 in any places. And then there also has to be a poster in front of the restaurant as well, so to make sure that everyone is aware of nobody will be feel offset or anything, when they get into service, because they will already understand that there has been differences in places. So while serving also, we have to make sure that we maintain the distance of at least 6 feet. So, and then while doing the chair and table setup as well, you have to make sure that in one table, there will not be more than 2 people. If that is a small table, if that is a very big table, then of course you can put in by measuring the distance that to make sure that there is enough spaces are available. And nowadays, putting this cruet set or things on the table would be very risky, because many people might touch it. So that's why there are these kind of individual sachets for condiments like salt, pepper, sugar. Everything should be in an individual pack so that people can really touch their pack only. So these kind of things we can serve them separately. And more things what we can do in meeting rooms, in meeting rooms also, initially if we were doing a party of 100 people or 1,000 people in a same room, we will not be able to do the same thing now. So we have to make sure in the meeting rooms and halls also, the seating arrangements are done by making sure that there is an individual distance in each chairs. So that kind of setting now we have to do. The settings will be totally different now. And sanitizers to be placed at the entrance of the meeting room or hall. So same entrance. So wherever they enter, whatever they have touched, they have to make sure that it is disinfected. So that's what we can do. And now, like cleaning a guest room like before is not enough, because as I told you, guest room is the place where people will touch most of the things and then they will stay in the room for longer period of time. So like previously, we used to sell the room back to back, very quickly they used to clean the room, like 3-4 people in the same room, they used to go and clean the room in 10-15 minutes as well, because the minimum cleaning length is at least half an hour. But in that kind of time when there was 100% occupancy back to back thing, then like we used to do that, but that will not be applicable nowadays. So what we have to do, after each guest goes away, we cannot enter into the room for at least 48 hours or 72 hours according to the standards. We have to make sure that we also follow the standards which has been given by WHO, and our Nepal Tourism Board is also giving a lot of standards to follow. So there are some local standards, there are some WHO standards, and there are most of the branded hotels, they have to follow the standards of their own brand also. So we have to make sure we put this virus chemical in the fogging machine and make sure all the room curtains, everything is disinfected. Then only the room will be entered by housekeeping staff. And you can see in the picture now what kind of PPE the housekeeping staff are wearing. So they have to make sure that they wear this hazmat suit and visors, masks, everything, so that they are also risk-free, because we cannot put the life of employees into risk, because people can easily get contaminated or infected if somebody has COVID and that person has stayed in that room. So we can take it as a risk. It may not be that everyone might carry, but there is a chances that anybody can carry it. So in that thing, we all these housekeeping peoples are also ensuring that they wear proper PPE and all the safety measures are taken while making the beds, handling linens, and working in the corridors as well. And like while cleaning also, now not only cleaning is sufficient, as I told you earlier, it has to be clinically sanitized. So for this one, what we are doing is like we are using this microfiber cloths, which is of different color. So according to the color, you cannot mix the cleaning process. Like for example, you have to clean bathroom with the red cloths. So if you have cleaned the bathroom with red cloths, you cannot clean the mirror again with the same cloth. So you have to segregate that. So what we normally do, we do like red color microfiber mop for the guest bathroom. We use like blue color microfiber cloths to use the glass surfaces, to wipe it. We could use like yellow color of microfiber to use the multi-surface high-touch areas, like telephones and all those kind of things in the room, doorknobs, because doorknob is also the place where people normally touch it. So these kind of processes has to be taken care so that, you try to minimize the risk of this COVID-19. Because if you follow all these standards, then there is very, very less chances to get spread. But if you are staying in a certain hotel and if you get transmitted with COVID, and if that gets spreads with employees and the visitors, then that will become a very big news now. So even your hotel can shut down also. So we have to, be careful. If we do not be careful, then the risk might get increased, because now we have been, listening to the news that every day so much of people are getting infected, and at the same time people are getting recovered as well. That is true, because COVID is actually not it's just like a flu. But for those people who have got this problem with their breathing problem or some problem in their chest, infectious people, then it is very dangerous for them. So what we have thought, like if an employee get infected, then their family can also get infected. So keeping these things in mind, we have been trying to make sure that our employees are also safe while working in the hotel. And another thing, like we are keeping a small tray with sanitizers and masks for the guests, in case if they do not have it, to make sure that they use it and apply it. And there is also a clean promise. So we are
सायद अञ्जना म्यामको इन्टरनेट गए जस्तो छ। म एकचोटि म्यामलाई कल गर्छु। त्यति टाइमसम्म हाम्रो आर्या सरलाई चाहिँ एउटा क्वेसन थियो भन्दै हुनुहुन्थ्यो।
That question was for Anjana only.
कसैलाई केही क्वेसन छ भने प्लिज सोधिदिनु होला। उज्जवल सरले एन्सर गर्नुहुन्छ।
I think someone had asked.
Yes, Prakriti ji.
Yeah.
I think I will try to answer that. So most of the traveling through disposable money they have, and do you think the people will travel as all the people in the world utilizing disposable in their foods nowadays, and they are being jobless? That will decrease. So yeah, of course, traveling data. I think we are gonna go down for at least 2 years. So it's not gonna be easy. People will just let's say औषधि नै पायो, अब चाहिँ सबै कुरा ठिक भयो भन्ने बित्तिकै I don't think people will just gonna hop in and let's go to Nepal अथवा let's go to somewhere else. त्यो चाहिँ हुनेवाला छैन obviously. The way they will travel, the morality will obviously change. Sorry, the morality will obviously change. So उहाँहरु ट्राभल गर्नु अगाडि चाहिँ हाउ होटल्स आर प्लानिङ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ obviously फर्स्टमा चाहिँ अघि अञ्जना म्यामले पनि देखाउनु भयो हैन, सुरुमा आउने बित्तिकै चाहिँ they have to be tested. They have to be tested from the way they come into hotel. Athwa if you see in terms of international travels, they have to be checked in terms of airport. उहाँहरु एयरपोर्ट मै चेक हुन्छ र कति कन्ट्रीले चाहिँ without your report you cannot come अथवा you cannot go from here भन्ने कुरा पनि भइसक्यो हैन। जस्तै if you see lots of students अहिले पनि कति जना चाहिँ अस्ट्रेलिया युएस अथवा अरु कुनै कन्ट्री स्टुडेन्ट भिजामा जाने प्रोसेसमा अड्किरहेको हुँदा चाहिँ उहाँहरुको मेडिकलको ठ्याक्कै टाइममा चाहिँ अहिले चाहिँ दे आर आस्किङ कि एउटा PCR रिपोर्ट पनि लिएर आऊ हैन, मेडिकल एउटा थपिसक्यो। सो द्याट्स हाउ पिपल गोना ट्राभल अभियसली। र होटलले पनि त्यही कुरामा चाहिँ होटल इज अल्सो वेटिङ फर पिपल द्याट दे विल कम एन्ड दे विल कम इन अ वे कि वी डु नट ह्याभ टु वरी। र अर्को कुरा तपाईहरुले देखिहाल्नु भयो हैन, अघि अञ्जना म्यामले प्रेजेन्टेसनमा सेयर गरिहाल्नु भयो त्यो कुरा। प्रेजेन्टेसनमा जुन कुरा सेयर गर्नु भएको थियो जस्तै स्यानिटाइजेसनको कुराहरु हैन, अनि युजिङ द बेसिक थिंग्स लाइक पेन्स पेपर्स, यु हाउ द वे यु सिट इन अ रेस्टुरेन्ट अथवा द वे यु सिट इन अ ब्याङ्क्वेट, त्यो कुराहरु चाहिँ सबै कुरालाई चाहिँ मोनिटर गरिनेछ। र अर्को कुरा डिस्पोजेबल कुरामा जस्तै क्याशको कुरा गर्नुभयो तपाईहरुले। सो अभियसली वी आर भेरी रेजिस्टेन्ट अहिले चाहिँ वी आर नट अब सकेसम्म क्याश नलिने भन्ने कुरा छ। तर क्याश लिइहाले पनि क्याश नलिने कार्डबाटै पेमेन्ट गर भन्दाखेरि सबै कुरा कार्डबाट पोसिबल हुँदैन हैन। र कति कुरामा कार्डको लिमिटेसन्सहरु हुन्छ। नेपालमा आइसकेपछि सबै कार्ड पनि चल्दैन हैन। जस्तै अब मेबी वी अब बिग होटल्स लाइक अस हैन, वी डु ह्याभ हामीले चाहिँ सबै कार्ड चलाउँछौँ होला, तर त्यहाँ स्मल होटेल स्मल रेस्टुरेन्ट जहाँ चाहिँ सबै कार्डहरू चल्दैन। जस्तै अब तपाईँहरूले कुरा गर्नुहुन्छ भने अमेरिकन एक्सप्रेस चाहिँ कति ठाउँमा चल्दैन, र त्यो कुरामा चाहिँ क्यास कसरी लिने भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ अभियसली द वे अफ सेनिटाइजिङ थिङ्स विल प्ले अ बिग पार्ट। जस्तै तपाईँहरूले पहिला आफूलाई सेनिटाइज गर्नु पऱ्यो, अब त्यो क्यासलाई सेनिटाइजर दल्ने भनेको चाहिँ होइन मैले होइन, तर मान्छेले आफूलाई सेनिटाइज गरेर जस्तै हातमा सेनिटाइजर लगाएर अथवा द 7 स्टेप्स अफ क्लिनिङ योर ह्यान्ड फलो गरेर चाहिँ त्यो क्यास लिने बेलामा चाहिँ जसले लिन्छ उसले पनि त्यो कुरा गरिसक्नु पर्यो। अनि दिने मान्छेले मात्र सेनिटाइज गरेर भएन, किनभने दिने मान्छेले सेनिटाइज गर्ला तर बकलीमा भएको पैसामा चाहिँ हामीले सेनिटाइज त दलालमा अभियसली होइन। र अर्को कुरा भनेको बकलीमा सेनिटाइजर हालेर पनि आई मिन सेनिटाइजर लगाएर पनि पैसा त राखिँदैन। द पिपल हु इज टेकिङ इट, नट ओन्ली गिभिङ इट, इट्स अ प्रोसेस अफ गिभिङ एन्ड टेकिङ। सो दिने मान्छेले मात्र होइन, लिने मान्छे पनि त्यसरी नै चाहिँ क्लिन भएर बस्नु पर्यो होइन। र अभियसली ट्राभलिङ डाटाको कुरा मैले अघि पनि भनिहालेँ, लट्स अफ पिपल आर बिङ जबलेस। र जबलेस मात्र नभए पनि भोलि खोल्यो रे ल औषधि पायो रे भन्ने बित्तिकै देयर विल नट बी पिपल ट्राभलिङ अराउन्ड जस्ट लाइक द्याट। अनि पहिला जस्तो चाहिँ त्यस्तो हुँदैन। इट्स रियली गन गो ड्रप डाउन, इट्स रियली गन ड्रप डाउन क्या। त्यही भएर अघि मैले सुरुमा भने नि इट्स टाइम फर अस कि अब यो होटेल जस्तो ड्रप डाउन भएको केसमा चाहिँ होटेलले कसरी चाहिँ आफ्नो इकोनोमीलाई बचाउने अथवा आफ्नो इम्प्लोइजहरूलाई चाहिँ अब डे टु डे बेसिसमा पे गर्ने, त्यो कुराहरूमा चाहिँ वी निड टु डु समथिङ इफ वी कम आउट अफ दिस भेरी वेल होइन। लेट्स से अबको 2 महिना 3 महिनापछि एटलिस्ट इन्टरनेसनल टुरिज्म नभए पनि डोमेस्टिक टुरिज्म चाहिँ हामीले नै प्रमोट गर्नुपर्छ है, होटेलहरूले स्पेसल्ली होइन। लेट्स नट चाहिँ गभर्मेन्ट इज गन प्रमोट फर अस अथवा कसैले प्रमोट गर्दैन, होटेल एसोसिएसनले केही भन्दैन भन्ने भन्दा पनि त्यहाँ होटेल्स, त्यहाँ इन्डिभिजुअल होटेल्सहरूले चाहिँ आफैले चाहिँ प्याकेजहरू चाहिँ लन्च गर्न सक्छ। जस्तै इफ यु सी लास्ट इयर वेन यो जुन चाहिँ माउन्टेन फ्लाइटको कुरा थियो, माउन्टेन फ्लाइट वाज बिङ सो फेमस होइन, माउन्टेन फ्लाइट वाज बिङ सो फेमस। तर माउन्टेन फ्लाइट जाँदा चाहिँ त्यो विन्डो सिट मात्रै प्याक हुन्थ्यो कि होइन, विन्डो सिट मात्रै प्याक हुन्थ्यो अनि अर्को सिट चाहिँ जहिले पनि खाली हुन्थ्यो। अब त्यो कुरालाई चाहिँ कसरी युटिलाइज गर्ने बिङ अ हस्पिटालिटी प्रोफेसनल भन्दा चाहिँ आई विल गिभ यु एन एक्जाम्पल फ्रम आवर जेनरल म्यानेजर होइन। आई विल सी इज त्यो सेल्सम्यानसिप भएको मान्छे चाहिँ उहाँसँग धेरै कुरा सिक्ने मौका थियो होइन। सो उहाँले एउटा आइडिया के गर्नु भएको थियो भन्दाखेरि हाउ डु वी सेल आवर माउन्टेन फ्लाइट टु इन्टरनेसनल टुरिस्ट अथवा इभन फर डोमेस्टिक टुरिस्ट, हाम्रो होटेलमा बस्ने मान्छेलाई चाहिँ कसरी हामीले त्यो बेच्न सक्छौँ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ अब हामीले एयरलाइनसँग एउटा डिल के गऱ्यौँ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ त्यो फ्लाइट जे गरे पनि खाली नै जानेवाला छ एउटा सिट होइन, एउटा सिट त खाली नै जानेवाला छ नि त। सो एउटा सिट खाली जानेवालामा चाहिँ वाट वी डिल विथ एयरलाइन्स वाज हामीलाई त्यो सिट चाहिँ आधी पैसामा देऊ, वी विल फिल इट भने होइन। अनि त्यो आधी पैसा भइसकेपछि दुईजनाले तिर्ने पैसा सेम हुन्छ। जस्तो एकजनाको 10,000 छ भने हामीले चाहिँ अब दुईवटा सिटको चाहिँ 15,000 भयो, र 15,000 भइसकेपछि कुनै पनि गेस्टले चाहिँ 10,000 तिर्नु पर्दैन नि त, दे क्यान जस्ट पे 7,000 नि त। त्यो कुरामा चाहिँ त्यसरी चाहिँ हामीले माउन्टेन फ्लाइट प्रमोट गरेको थियौँ कि। एन्ड हाउ वी डिड इट वाज माउन्टेन फ्लाइट इज फर लाइक 45 मिनट्स, र 45 मिनट्समा चाहिँ अब पैसा घटिसकेपछि यु कान्ट सी 45 मिनट्स नि त। सो यु हेभ टु चेन्ज युर सिट अगेन एन्ड अगेन। सो कहिले चाहिँ यतापट्टि बस्ने, जस्तै हाफ चाहिँ जो विन्डोमा बसेछ उसले हेर्छ र हाफ चाहिँ जो विन्डोमा बसेको छैन। द्याट्स जस्ट अ बेसिक आइडिया होइन, यो त एउटा बेसिक आइडिया मात्रै जसरी चाहिँ हामीले माउन्टेन फ्लाइटलाई चाहिँ प्रमोट गर्न एउटा ट्राई गरेको थियौँ। त्यो बाहेक चाहिँ अब डोमेस्टिक टुरिज्ममा धेरै कुरा आउँछ होइन। जस्तै पोखराको कुरा गरौँ होइन, सबसे भिजिटेड प्लेस इन नेपाल डोमेस्टिक टुरिज्मको कन्टेक्स्टमा पोखरामा चाहिँ होटेलहरूले के गर्न सक्छ अथवा अरू कुनै इन्डस्ट्रीले के गर्न सक्छ भन्दा चाहिँ दे जस्ट डोन्ट सेल होटेल्स रुम्स क्या। अब चाहिँ प्याकेजहरू बेच्नुपर्ने होला होइन। लेट्स चाहिँ कुनै पनि होटेलले चाहिँ अब स्टे विथ अस, अब यु गेट प्याराग्लाइडिङ फ्री भन्ला होइन, प्याराग्लाइडिङ फ्री नभए पनि यु गेट प्याराग्लाइडिङ फर हाफ प्राइस भन्ला, अथवा चाहिँ यु गेट अ टुर अफ पोखरा। किनभने पोखरामा कति ठाउँ छ जुन हामीलाई थाहा नै छैन क्या। अब हामी एज अ आउटसाइड अफ पोखरा वी गो टु फेवाताल, वी गो टु डेभिस फल, वी गो टु महेन्द्र केभ, अनि पोखरा सिद्धे कति मान्छेलाई। त देयर आर प्लेसेस लाइक मेथलाङ, देयर आर प्लेसेस लाइक लेट्स से द धरहरा पोखरा भन्ने एउटा ठाउँ छ, एउटा डाँडा छ त्यहाँ होइन, त्यहाँ गएर सबै पोखरा हेर्न सकिन्छ। त्यस्तो ठाउँहरूको चाहिँ प्याकेजहरू निकाल्न सकिन्छ। जस्ट एन एक्जाम्पल अफ पोखरा, लाइकवाइज इन चितवन, लाइकवाइज इन अदर प्लेसेस। सो त्यसरी चाहिँ अहिले टुर अपरेटर्सहरूले पनि आई थिङ्क दे आर प्लानिङ समथिङ लाइक दिस एन्ड दे विल कम अप विथ बेटर आइडियाज देन my examples obviously. So this is how hotels and travel industry is planning things, and I hope we really come out on top in terms of this thing. So I think that will do for your answer. Who was this? Prakriti.
अन्जना म्यामको फेरि डिस्कनेक्ट भएछ। ठिकै छ, अझै कोही साथीहरूलाई क्वेसनहरू छ भने प्लिज ह्यान्ड रेज गरेर ह्यान्ड रेज गर्नु होला, नत्र च्याट बक्समा लेख्नु होला। प्रकृतिजी,
I have a small question, right? I understand the best practices that Solti is following. I think it's excellent, for precaution measures. Now, while talking about it, have we focused on if someone is infected, right? Do we have procedures for contact tracing? Now, COVID is not that you do, suppose I come into Solti, right? You take my temperature, I might be fine. I might be a asymptomatic person, right? I might show symptoms after 14 days. I might check into Solti, leave Solti and go, right? After say 15 days, 16 days, Anjana is here. So my question is, I think the practices that you are doing is fantastic. I think world over, everyone is living up to these standards. The best thing for Solti is because it's connected to IHG, so it'll give you the best practices and everything, right? Now the question comes is, how are you doing contact tracing? If someone gets infected, right? And like a person who's asymptomatic, who is the carrier, who's not exactly got infected, right? What is the contact tracing we are doing after 14 days? Is there details kept in a master sheet on an Excel, or there's a software? Like, this is where we come into play. This is what we are working on, right? That is what my tech company is working on, is not only precautions, because precautions everyone will take. Everyone. Even if we go to buy vegetables, we know we take thing, we come back, we change our clothes. All that is everywhere. The data is available everywhere. The question comes is contact tracing. Neither the government is doing it, right? Businesses will open, right? According to the ratio that people are getting tested in the world standard ratio and what Nepal is doing, technically Nepal should be it's just a assumption, right? It's not concrete. We have to believe what the government gives us, right? But technically, if you are logical enough to calculate with world testing standards and our ratio, Nepal has more than 200,000 to 300,000 people infected, right? They might never, 80% might not even show symptoms of it, right? It gets dangerous to people with underlying causes, right? So what is Solti doing? If someone, look, the answer is not about shutting the hotel down, shutting businesses, because how long will you shut it for, right? Then you have to close the whole country down for 1 year, right? The question comes is, when you do contact tracing, right? That is the most important. I don't know if you guys are looking into it, because that's one thing we found very common, that everyone is just taking precautions. But what if it happens, right? It can happen after a week, and you can't guarantee that, we've worked. So let's not be, ignorant about it. Not everyone follows the standard out of, and especially in a huge organization, right? When you have 200 to 300 staff, someone will screw up. One person will screw up. It is a fact. So human nature, like you can see, protesting happening outside in Nepal. It's a good motive, but it's stupidity to infect 1,000 more people, because one person, by the end of it, within 15 to 20 days, can affect 3,500 people, right? So that is the ratio the infection goes. So the question is, best practices is one side. What are we doing for contact tracing as a business? If that, I think that is the most important factor. Like if 15 days before, someone who came, shows symptom, is COVID infected, and he informs the hotel, a guest, a staff, anyone it can be. What is the hotel doing for it is the most important factor. What are the businesses going to do in order to control, not the shut down the business, but effectively quarantine? Or someone you suddenly enters the hotel and temperature is taken. You know what happens in airport and all, right? It's more of tuck, 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 tuck. One misses out, it comes to you. It slips. It's not 100% guarantee. So if someone comes into the hotel and you find out that person has temperature, right, little bit symptoms, what is the next step? Because there was the driver, there was everyone. Because even with gloves or anything, you can't take chances. Everyone has to be quarantined, right? So what is the on-the-spot action that you take if someone is found infected? Sorry, a little long question, but just to explain everyone so everyone understands, because it's a little technical.
Yeah.
So are you guys doing something for that?
So to answer your question, Arya sir, thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much for the question. So for those people who are traveling from outside, no problem because they already get the certificates and all. But your question is very, very much genuine, because in our hotel, we don't have only the international people who are traveling. Local people, there are many other people just enter in the hotel. So during that time, we don't have any traces or contact details or anything about that person, from where they have come, any past experience or nothing is there. As you told, if we get any, temperature or symptoms, then normally do is we ask that person to stay isolated there. We do not allow that person to enter, because what happens sometimes during this is a very this is a summer, right? So it can be because if you are walking outside, or because coming or doing something, sometimes the temperature might be a little bit higher. So what we have been doing is, like, we ask that person to stay there for 15 to 20 minutes aside, and then again we'll take a temperature. So if the temperature is high still, then we directly contact the main contact point is manager and the general manager. So they will be informed, and then we actually send that person for follow-up check. So we send that person for checkup. We will ask that person to do not enter the hotel, because that person also should not feel it, because situation is like this. So if there is any symptoms or anything, that we are doing currently is that we are not allowing those people to enter, either that is the guest or the employee. So even if the employee is entering while in the entrance, we take the temperature of the employee as well. So if they seem to have symptoms, then we directly ask them go back their home, not enter in the hotel for 14 days at least. And we keep on contacting with the person, like if there are more symptoms, then they will definitely go for check. And then if we found out that that person has got COVID-19, then we have to identify that who all were the people who in contact with that person. So similarly, what happened currently, we are having this airline cruise, Nepal Airlines cruise, staying in our hotel. So we are following all these standards. If the last time there was one crew whose temperature was high, so immediately we asked them to do this DTR test, which was the random test, RDT test. But RDT test is actually, it may not give you true result. It may be 70-80% wrong as well, that according to the result what we are getting, those people who have been tested RDT, those people who got positive were also seen as negative when they did the PCR test. So that case, first the RDT test would be done. So if that shows positive, then directly that person will be sent for doing the PCR test. So until and unless the receive the report, that person will stay themselves isolated in the room for at least 7 to 14 days. At least it might take like days or week to get the PCR test report as well. So during that time, none of the hotel colleagues will be in touch with that person. That person will stay inside the room, and foods and everything will be left outside of the room. We do not enter the room, we do not do anything. So if that is, then totally it will, like, we will contact the hospital, and then we'll do these kind of tests. And if there is a positive thing, then we back, like, who was the employee who checked in that guest, and who was there like while handling the luggage, or who was the driving thing, will get in back, and we have to make sure that all those employees are also being tested and asked to stay in isolation, because currently we are not calling all employees to work, like only 30 to 40 people are only working in the hotel, and currently all the people who are working in the hotel are staying in the hotel, but changing the employees in every 14 days. So what we are doing, one lot of people who have been working in a hotel will stay in hotel for 14 days. They will go back home and they will stay in the home for 14 days. And then another lot of people will come in the hotel and they will, stay in the hotels for 14 days and then, keep on replacing like that. So till now, we don't have that proper standard of, contacting or tracing back, but we are at least doing these kind of things to make sure we minimize of getting in for the employees as well as the guests. So I don't
To
know if I
answer the
have answered your question,
to
but
answer the question of the lady who had asked, I forgot, I didn't remember the name. Entrepreneurship opportunity is here. This is the gap, right?
yeah,
Contact tracing, no one
that's
does.
true.
Let's be very honest, right? No one does contact tracing. We only put off the fire when it happens. So this is one big fault which every sector is doing, is not doing contact tracing. It's airport, government is totally different, right? So I think you should just little research on it, because it's a very easy tool, and that's what India is doing. We don't have to look too far. India is contact tracing every passenger, every person, and you can imagine what bulk passengers and all come in, right? So it is very important that we focus on contact tracing. That was my one question that I had. I think so. That's about it. Yeah, thanks.
Thank you for your question, Arya sir. Ma'am, we need to continue on your presentation.
Okay, so it's almost completed. Let me check. So yeah, so we have been keeping these kind of messages in the room so that sometimes something can go wrong. So we give chance for the guests to inform us, like if your room is not clean, your satisfaction, or if there is something that you feel is not correct or not right, we ask them to directly contact our front desk man, and we also to make it try to make it right. So this is actually the IHG Clean promise. It might be different based on different brands also. So, and the next, like, all the employees, we make sure that they always wear the proper PPE, they maintain the physical distance, ensure that personal hygiene has taken very carefully, and disinfects hand using sanitizers wherever possible, washing the hands very frequently. So in areas like kitchen and F&B service, we have put in schedule like washing hand every half an hour, maximum 1 hour, or washing hand after serving every tables or clearing up every table. So these kind of all the details and records, their names are also written in, so that people are following the standards. So in that way, currently we are ensuring it. And for employees also, in the entrance period, we are doing this temperature check, hand sanitizers, and if they don't have it. And then in the back house area also, these posters of culture of clean, washing your hands, sanitizing your hand, all these steps are input so that everyone see and always remember that and follow that. So we are also making sure that safety and well-being of the colleagues have been taken care. Physical distancing and at work has also been respectfully following. And there is also a protection and upkeeping of the equipments, how to sanitize the equipment, how to clean it, how to make sure the spreads are in control. So these are some of the things currently we are doing. So we are also doing research, and thank Arya sir, because that was very, very valid questions and very important question. So I can also go back in the hotel and we the standards, what we are doing currently and what we can do. So yeah, I've learned a lot. and I know him since 2008 when I joined the hotel as a trainee. I was just a trainee during that time, and he was already an assistant manager front office. So during that time, he was the youngest front office manager in our hotel. And later on, he became the youngest RDM of the hotel. And he was also the youngest general manager. I don't know the youngest, but among the youngest general managers in Southwest Asia region. So very, very happy to see him participating in our, because I had never imagined that he would join this program. But when I saw his name and his message, then I was quite surprised that he's also participating. So thank you so much. Thank you for giving us opportunity to interact after such a long time. I've been out of contact with him for such a long period, maybe more than how many years. After 2011, not been in touch with him. So this is, currently I've been able to talk with him. So thank you so much. And it was really, really nice meeting you. And if there is any more questions from anyone, then please ask questions. I'm to open questions, and I do my best. If, and of course, Arya sir is also there, he will add up. Ujjwal is also there, he will also add up. And then if there is something which we could not answer or find out currently, then we can also go back and research. As we said, we have to always research and try to find out the result, and then we can also share later on, because we can also get, if not with this one, then we can make a different topics or different thing, and I can sit and discuss together. Because we are actually not only telling or sharing the things, we are learning from each other. So that would be a very, very good idea, which we can do it later as well. Thank you.
I have one thing for all the participants. If you are looking to understand technology in hospitality sector, how we are targeting, how we are going forward with COVID, what are our projects? Obviously, I can't disclose you the nitty-gritty of the projects, because that is just now under, we are going with demo with the government and everyone. So nitty-gritty not, but I can give you a basic direction on what you need to do. So if any one of you feel, whenever you are free, I'm sure everyone is free, there's nothing to do. So, Sabine can obviously get into a call where we all can again be there, get in touch. There are, I see Taradai there, who's been a great colleague and a friend. At last I saw his face. And so, so all the young colleagues. So I would say there is huge opportunity, whether you want to be an entrepreneur. A simple example, you live in like I live in Thapthali. About Thapthali, I can tomorrow hire 2 people, start delivering your general stores or saman to houses, right? That is entrepreneurship. You can just make a web page, a Facebook page, say, we deliver you, give us 2 hours, start delivering, you'll make money. So entrepreneurship starts from small. No one does big. I don't even know if my projects are going to work. But the question is to keep going at it. Because I know tomorrow I always have my hotels to fall back on, right? So you have to take that risk. Don't be afraid to take a risk. You have to. Business is about risk. I grew fast, like, everyone, like Anjana, everyone has grown so fast. Like, take Ujjwal, right? All have grown fast is taking a certain amount of risk, taking a standing, on what they believe and what they do. Like Ujjwal correctly said, tomorrow I don't know if I want to be in hotels. Like today, I'm enjoying it. The amount I've learned, even as a general manager, I didn't have that much knowledge. And today I can sit in front of a CEO of a multi-billion-dollar company and have a conversation, right? So we pitched to the best of investors in India. So learned a lot. We got rejected, not a big deal. Then we said we didn't get investors, we started on our own. Now we are having investors to come, but we don't want investors because we've already started the project, right? We are this close to getting a deal, we never know, knowing the government and everyone. So what I'm trying to say is, please contact whoever is on the panel, take help, understand what logistics you need, what tools you need. And I think Anjana and Ujjwal being there, Taradai being there, F&B genius, who's done everything. I've worked with him closely. So, you've got this platform to add people, get your colleagues, get your other students from your colleges. Get on these forums, have a question and answer forum, ask any question. No question is dumb. The only person who doesn't ask a question is dumb. Right?
Yes.
Always remember that. So thank you very much. It was a great thing. Learned a lot also. And, I'm very happy that the leaders in Solti are dynamic, are changing, evolving. It's not what, when we had joined, that time we had very different, we had a very different way of functioning. We did what we had to do, but now things have changed. Technology has come in. So look into the tech part. I would say, please focus on technology, understand technology. What is blockchain? How do you do, what is AI? How does AI help in getting all your data analyzed for yourself instead of having 20 people? Because technology is also going to replace you. So you need to have knowledge about it, how it works, right? I mean, not just now, maybe 20 years, just now and then, so don't worry about it. But excellent forum, and thank you so much. Sorry, I talk a lot, yeah. Bad habit.
Thank you, sir. We need to do one Q&A session with you, for sure. We have another question from Jasmine Kaur. Has your hotel created any different packages after the pandemic has started? Anjana ma'am.
So, in the initial period during like February, the month of February, yes, we had some packages like because the business was going very low. So during that time, we had some packages with the rooms, with F&B, staying with the family. So with 10,000 rupees, you could stay night in the hotel. You could use the spa. You could, have 3,000 worth of food in the hotel. So these kind of packages were there, but right after the lockdown started, then this did not work out. We had to cancel this package thing. So we started only delivering the foods. So that was only the thing we did. So after this lockdown, we haven't created any packages now, because we are we have to make sure a lot of people do not come and stay in the hotel. So, and then for doing this, some of the parties or functions in the hotel, so we have to take the approval now. We cannot take more than 15-20 people at the same time, because all the social distancing and everything has to be maintained. So because of this reason, we don't have any special packages at the moment. But once the situation starts getting little better and better, of course the business will not rise up then and there, as you might have already discussed. So it's going to impact for at least another 1 year, or it can impact for more than 1 year as well. The business is not going to go smoothly. So during that time, once the situation starts becoming normal, then there might be some of the packages which we can start doing. So we also need to do a lot of research in that area.
Thank you, ma'am. अरु कसैलाई केही क्वेसन सोध्नु छ भने प्लिज अनम्युट गरेर बोल्दा हुन्छ है। अब चाहिँ अब हामी सेसनको एन्डतिर नि आइसक्यौं, हाम्रो टाइम पनि
Like I said, guys, ask. No question is dumb. Okay?
Yes.
If I was at your time in colleges and all, I would have like 20 list of questions. And the weirdest.
We have another question from Bivan Shrestha.
Second wave is going to hit, by the way, in November, around November, December. Now, Anjana will
So that's
say
it. We
on
are
that.
not only doing these things only for COVID-19, but this will become a standard now. So once, set all these hygiene standards, sanitization standards, clinically clean standard, this will not go away quickly. This will remain forever. This will become new standards now in all the hotel, because if people doesn't see these kind of standards in the hotel, they will not go and stay. They will not give business to them. It will be very, very difficult for hotels to get this. So they have to have some unique thing in their hotel so that people will, start giving them the business. So you know, it might like, it will be like if government starts doing the shutdown again, then definitely the hotels cannot run smoothly as like it was running previously. So we don't know, after a month or after a few months, again it might get locked down. We are not sure about that, but we have to prepare accordingly. So now what the hotels are mostly doing is, as Arya sir mentioned earlier, I remember the cost of the hotel, which is like HLP, and he told about the employee cost. So you can imagine he knows very well about the employee cost of Solti Crown Plaza. Is one of the most expensive cost. Very, very high, you know, cost of employees. So what we are currently doing is like, we are not calling all the employees to stay in the job, and there might be a lot of you know, new things like staying home, doing like staying home in an unpaid leave, or calling back the employees when the business, you know, gets better only. So, you know, IIG is bringing some of the programs like stay in touch programs. So that means we are actually asking the employees to stay in the hotel, and we'll be in touch with them, so that, you know, they already know our business, they already know our hotel. So when the situation would be normal, then we can hire them back again. So these kind of programs are also there, because hotel will not be able to run with 500 employees now in this situation. So currently everything is not been fixed or decided, but it's still in planning how we can manage this employee cost, and how we can manage this HLP cost and everything. So Solti Hotel, you know, even though having so much of room, now we will be thinking to run only one wing. We have got 2 wings in the hotel. So one wing will be completely shut down, because when we shut down the whole wing, then the HLP cost and everything will go down. So we'll be running only one building, in which also we will not run all the rooms. We will run only about 50 to 100 rooms. Initially, we'll have to target in that way. So once this business gets, you know, better, once the situation gets better, then only we would think about opening other floors and other wings and started doing business. So for the same, for the meeting halls and everything, we will identify only few of the halls and rooms in which we'll be doing the business or will be doing the function, and remaining of them will shut down, completely close. And even the lightings and everything in the lobby area and corridor area and everything, we are even going to this sensor light, so that, you know, even in the locker areas of the employees and everywhere, the sensor light has been placed, so that when person moves, then only the light will uh, it will give light, otherwise it will be dark. So after this pandemic also, when we entered in the hotel, everything everywhere was like quite dark, you know, because the situation is quite different and the cost is very, very high, and very, very minimum guests and people staying in the hotel. So this is what actually we are doing.
No, that is a good question. Very good question. Can I say it on an overall impact on industry, and then Anjana can say it according to Solti? Look, recovery is going to take a lot of time, because 6 months it'll be before any hotel really gets business. And when I take hotel, I'm not talking about Solti or Hyatt or someone. They have good bottom members, they can pump in money, they have a lot of reserves. So 5-star hotel still has a possibility to survive and do well. But small time hotels is going to get hit very badly. You know, if the country's government doesn't come up with a phase wise, with precautions, with certifications, with making everyone realize that it's safe to travel, taking out a lot of rules and regulation, because it's not only rules and regulation and guidelines for hotels, it's like to get to that hotel also. You know, what are the services? Now a small hotel where, you know, they charge you 1,500, which, you know, most of the Pokhara and all these areas have those mid-size hotels. They won't be able to afford something like giving sanitizers, dipping the pen, you know, doing a lot of things. You know, those people are going to get affected. And to be honest, hiring and financial losses is going to go for a long time. If 1 year gets hit, it takes about another 2 or 3 years to recover it. But obviously, you know, by that time, 100 times. Like, as I told you, when our project was stuck, right now, we were launching a full-fledged domestic tourism, Nepal globally into 110 countries, sorry. We were planning to launch everything. It just stopped our finances. We know it, we won't be able to launch it till next year, right? We are aware of it. Then what did we say? We can't just sit down, right? Then we thought, let's get into the tech part of supporting different sectors through technology, right? So people will come up, people will find new businesses, maybe not hotels. Hotels can tomorrow convert into isolation, places where, like suppose Pokhara sees a huge number. Now the government doesn't have that many hospital beds, isolation places. They might shove all the patients into isolation in hotels like India is doing, and give hotel a little relief, like say 1,500, 2,000 rupees per person per day, where food and thing is included, where the hotel takes care. Maybe hotel behaves like an isolation hospital, which India is doing. So there are 100 ways to make money, 100 ways to hire. Maybe employment increases, right? But that also depends on how hotel, because government plays a huge role in this. And knowing our government, it's hot water and turmeric. So I don't think so that they've even thought about that part. And they don't realize that 7% of the GDP is tourism. So that is going to affect a lot until unless all the hotel association gets together, corners the government, and starts doing something drastic. That is a fact. So your question is very valid. Financial losses and hiring is next 1 year is going to be tough for everyone. And like Anjanaya said, vaccination and medicines might come out, but you have to realize how small our country and our diplomatic relationship internationally is. So for that medicine to come to Nepal will take another 2 years, because all the big companies, big countries are going to put the orders in first. So you have to understand, that's why I said, understand COVID impact on economic, on global economy, and see how it's going to affect. That's how I know. It's not that I'm a genius. COVID oile bio. I'm not a PhD holder. I read a lot, read every news, global news. I utilize my time perfectly. Time management, Gaurav. You will find a way. So, suppose you want to be a general manager. You've done BHM, right? Path change garna parcha ke. Maybe you enter into a startup just now, which works from home. You learn a lot. Then later you continue when things go. So, your goal, you don't have to go a straight direction. You can even go around it, on top of it, below it. So there are 100 ways to reach one path. So don't worry about what can't happen. Worry about what you can do. So till you don't understand and learn, you're never going to achieve it. So even if there's job offering, suppose the finances goes up, job level comes up. Are you fit for it? Is the main question. That's how it works. So that's a very, very excellent question, man. I have to say, Bhivan, excellent question.
Thank you, sir. We are running out of time.
Yeah. Sorry.
We are going to take one last question from Abhijit Adhikari.
Okay, my was like, as Anjana ma'am said, that there will be a rotation of 14 days with employees working within hotels, and how we can ensure that they might not get infected, or sometimes they might be germ carriers too in the hotels. So how can we ensure that they are safe and healthy to work within a hotel?
Thank you for the question. That's a very good question, because we can't see anyone, if that person is not carrying COVID, because the symptoms might also not seen at the same time. It might take time to show the symptoms as well. So we are constantly in touch with the employees. All the employees, the HR, they are sometimes coming in the hotel, getting in touch with the people. They are calling them, they are asking, their health and everything. So those people who are staying for 14 days at home would also be constantly in touch with our HR. and then we would ask, like if they have any symptoms, they are asked to reveal it, because nobody would like the spread of COVID from one person to so many people. So this is what we are doing. And whenever they are staying in 14 days at home, so when they come, we have got all this temperature check and everything in place. If anybody has got temperature, if anybody has got, even a flu, because now even if you get a flu, then you are asked to stay in isolation because the situation is like that. So we are also asking the employees, if they have any kind of symptoms, then we are asking them to stay at home. So we are not allowing them to enter and come. So in some cases, whenever the employees are working, we cannot exactly say that they might not get infected. For example, when different people staying from different countries, in case somebody get infected, and if the employees are getting infected in that, so we are doing the RDT or PCR test also done, so that everyone will feel that they are secure. If the result is positive or negative, they will, after knowing that, they will feel a little bit secure. So that kind of things are also we are doing.
Thank you, ma'am.
थ्याङ्क यू म्याम। अब चाहिँ हाम्रो तारा सर जानु भइसक्यो। सर हजुर म्युट हुनुहुन्छ, म एकचोटि अनम्युट गरिदिन्छु है त। सर हजुरलाई पनि केही भन्न मन छ भने प्लिज भनिदिनुस्।
Thank you very much. I learned so many things. Thank you very much, Sabin and Arya sir, Anjana ma'am, and Ujjwal. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Really, I wanted to learn something. I hope I learned something.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you so much
for
coming to our program and call. It was really, really nice to have you also here.
Thank you very much. Just I was curious to see your voice and Ujjwal's voice and Arisha's voice, and I wanted to learn something. Thank you very much, Anjana.
अब चाहिँ हामी ऱ्याप अप गर्छौं है। ऱ्याप अप गर्नुभन्दा अगाडि चाहिँ यो तीनवटा पार्टिसिपेन्टहरुले चाहिँ हामीलाई फिडब्याक दिनुस् न। यो प्लस भनेको चाहिँ आजको सेसनमा के राम्रो भयो, अनि डेल्टाजमा चाहिँ हामीले के इम्प्रुभ गर्नुपर्छ नेक्स्ट सेसनमा, अनि लर्निङमा चाहिँ हजुरहरुले के सिक्नु भयो। प्लिज कोही एकजनाले के भनिदिनु होला प्लिज, अनम्युट गरेर। कोही नभने म नेम कल गर्छु है त। अभिजित
हजुर
ल फिडब्याक दिउ त।
ओके, प्लसमा के हो भने प्लसमा हामीले कुरा के हो, अब हामीसँग लिङ्क पनि बढ्यो नि त अलिकति सर म्यामहरुसँग होटलमा के भइरहेको छ उहाँहरु। सो व्हाट वी लर्न इज उहाँहरुले चाहिँ कसरी होटल रन गरिरहनु भएको छ त्यसको बारेमा थाहा पायौं नि त। अनि त्यसपछि व्हाट क्यान वी इम्प्रुभ इज अब पनि यस्तै क्वेशन एन्सर सेसनहरु गर्यो भने चाहिँ अझै राम्रो हुन्छ। अझै धेरै नै उहरु राखेर धेरै नै होस्टहरु बनेर गर्यौं भने चाहिँ एकदम राम्रो हुन्छ जस्तो लाग्यो। अनि तर आज मैले धेरै कुरा सिकेँ लर्निङ चाहिँ अबाउटमा। अब घरमै बसेर पनि हामीले यतिकोसम्म सिक्न पाइरहेको छौं। द्याट्स ग्रेट। सो थ्याङ्क यू फर इट।
ओके, थ्याङ्क यू अभिजित। अब अर्को सेसनमा चाहिँ मलाई नि कसै हेल्प चाहिनेछ है सबै मान्छेबाट, किनकि सबै कुरा मैले एक्लै हेर्नु पर्ने भइरहेको छ क्या। अब कसैलाई अनम्युट गर्यो, शेयर स्क्रिन गर्यो, च्याट पनि हेर्नु पर्ने भइरहेको छ हैन। अनि थ्याङ्क यू सो मच अञ्जना म्याम, उज्जवल सर, अनि आर्या सर, ताराजन थापा सर फर योर टाइम है। अनि अरु कसैलाई केही सोध्नु मन छ प्लिज, केही सोध्नु मन छ या केही फिडब्याक दिन मन छ भने प्लिज अनम्युट गरेर बोल्दिनु होला। छैन भने
Plus, it's a great platform. What we can improve is I speak little less. Okay, I've got so much in my mind. And what did I learn is I think it was excellent what Ujjwal Anjana has done. Going forward also now we have to get more into question and answer, because I feel a lot of people have a lot of doubt. you know, and I think they both are also experts in their field to give it in a very generic, in a very overall fashion. So that we can do a little more. And obviously the questions asked by the participants were fantastic, you know, so more questions participants should ask, you know, it's for your future. That's what I would say. Again, I'm talking too much. Anyways.
Thank you, sir. No worries. Thank you.
No, actually, Arya sir, that was really nice. When you talk, when you share, then only we will learn. No, so if you stay quiet, even having so much of thinking in your heart and mind, you have to speak out, and we will learn. No.
Yes, thank you.
True.
Like
Yeah,
I would
I
like
think
session ko end ma chai
we are grateful. We are grateful that we have Arya sir, Tara sir, and Anjana ji with us, and you know, sharing things. So I just want to say a few things for our for the students who are still studying hotel management. So you know, you do have a phone right now, and if you look around, you do have a book too, and in your phone you can do whatever you want. You know, whatever meaning, I think everyone knows whatever means. So we can be a slave to our phone, or we can learn something from our phone, or you can turn it into a library too. So please choose wisely while you spend your time on your phone or on internet right now, because there are lots of things, you know, good things, bad things, whatever you want, it's just gonna get you right now. Don't be a slave to your phone right now. And if you are doing something, at least try to learn something. अघि जसरी जबको कुराहरू आयो होइन, अनि how can we get job भन्दा पनि just prepare yourself in this way कि यो टाइममा how can you get job भन्दा पनि prepare yourself कि how can job get you भन्ने कुरा हो के पछि गएर होइन. सो वर्किङको कुरामा गेटिङ जब्स, अनि डोन्ट वरी अब तपाईँहरू anyone is doing interns and all, don't worry about it. Everything will be okay. Maybe it will take some time, and we can always have some good time doing good things. So spend your time wisely and stay safe. So stay safe ko kurama pani I see lots of people going around these days, you know, bahira niskirako huncha yaha huncha. Just remember one thing, tapailai maybe if you get corona, I don't think anything tapailai ke farak parla. तर इफ तपाईँलाई कोरोना लागेर तपाईँ घर फर्केर आउनुहुन्छ भने तपाईँको अब ड्याडी मम्मीलाई, हजुरबा हजुरआमालाई, अथवा आफ्नो घरमा भएको सानो बाबु नानीलाई तपाईँको कारणले कोरोना लागेर केही भइहाल्यो भने तपाईँ त्यो बोझ लिएर चाहिँ बस्न सक्नुहुन्छ कि हुँदैन? प्लिज आस्क द्याट टु योर सेल्फ र प्लिज स्टे सेफ. अनि आई होप विल डु अ क्वेसन एन्सर सेसन भेरी सुन. अब तपाईँहरूले इन्थुजियाजम देखाइदिनु भयो, द्याट वाज भेरी नाइस. एन्ड थ्याङ्क यू एभ्री वान.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. And I would like to thank my team members के मलाई जसले एकदम धेरै एसिस्ट गर्नु भएको छ यो सेसन गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ होइन. आस्था खत्री एन्ड पुष्पा दङ्गाल, थ्याङ्क यू सो मच. अनि हाम्रो गेस्ट स्पिकर अनि दोज टु टिम मेम्बर्स होइन, उहाँहरू नभएको भए चाहिँ यो सेसन कहिले पनि सक्सेस हुँदैन थियो होला. यो सेकेन्ड सेसन, यो चाहिँ हाम्रो सेकेन्ड सेसन हो. योभन्दा अघिल्लो सेसन पनि भएको थियो. अनि यो सेसनको रेकर्डिङ पनि छ होइन. यदि कसैले केही मिस गर्नु भएको छ भने चाहिँ म अपलोड गरिदिन्छु यो सेसन. प्लिज इनबक्स मी है, नत्र अहिले पनि भन्दा हुन्छ. ओके, थ्याङ्क यू सो मच. आई थिङ्क वी निड टु ऱ्याप अप नाउ. अनि हामीले चाहिँ यो पेड भर्जन युज गरिरहेको छौँ क्या जुमको लागि. त्यही भएर सक्दो हुन्छ नि नयाँ कुरा सिकौँ होइन, इन्टरेक्ट गरौँ भन्ने हो कि. लाइक हामी फेरि अर्को सेसन लिएर छिटै आउनेछौँ. टिल देन थ्याङ्क यू, टेक केयर, सी यू. एन्ड गरिदिँदा हुन्छ है, मैले एन्ड गरिदिएँ है त.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am,
thank you everyone. Have a lovely day ahead.
सबैजनाले लिभ गरिदिँदा हुन्छ. म्यामहरू चाहिँ बस्नुहोस् न,
हुन्छ. ओके,
अर्गनाइजर टिमहरू चाहिँ. बाई एभ्रीवान.
Bye-bye, Saveen.
बाई. कसैलाई केही क्वेसन छ भने चाहिँ बस्नु होला, नत्र लिभ गरिदिँदा हुन्छ है. कसैलाई केही क्वेसन? उज्वल सर भयो. केपिन्द्रजीले के क्वेसन छ? प्रकृतिजी के क्वेसन छ? होइन म्याम, एकैछिन बस्नु न हामी है. म सबैजनालाई वेटिङ रुममा राखिदिन्छु. ल म्याम, यस रमाइलो भयो.
सरी म अलिकति टाइममा जोइन गर्न पाइनँ। आई भेरी सरी, प्रोग्राम धेरै डिले होला भन्ने एक्सपेक्टेसन थिएन।
मलाई थाहा नै थियो ढिलै हुन्छ भनेर, स्योरै थाहा थियो मलाई, त ग्यारेन्टी थियो, म त मैले भने पनि थिएँ।
फेरि गभर्मेन्ट पिपलहरू